Oh, okay. Balla balla. Right. Are we? Are we? Yes, we are. Are we? हेलो के भइरहेछ हामी आइरहेछौँ हामी लाइभ भइरहेछौँ म स्ट्रिम यार्ड युज गर्दैछु हेलो भेरी अड्किङ हो धेरै अड्किरह हो के भइरह पब्लिक त छ पब्लिकै छ हेलो हेलो हाउ आर वी हामी छौँ आवाज आइरहेछ एकछिन है त साउन्ड स्ट्रिम ठिक छ भने लेट मी नो प्लिज मलाई यो थाहा भएन के भइरहेछ आइ एम युजिङ स्ट्रिम यार्ड फर द फर्स्ट टाइम हैन युजिङ स्ट्रिम यार्ड फर द फर्स्ट टाइम सबै कुरा ठिक छ स्ट्रिम इज गुड भोइस इज गुड give me green signal if things are good है क्याम छैन video is not moving है video is not moving at all के भइरह्यो हेलो यता त छ नि हैन यता त ठिक छ हेलो हेलो अहिले अहिले ठिक छ है हैन ओके नाउ गुड हेलो ओके तर अड्किरह्यो इज इट भेरी laggy what's happening guys अड्किरहेको छ ब्रो अरे what the hell के छ म इन्टरनेट त ठिकै छ मेरो show you viewer comments frame rate कम छ अहिले चाहिँ फ्रेम रेट इज ब्याड व्हाट द फक कहाँ हुन्छ यसको सेटिङ्सहरु एन्ड अल दैट 1080p भएर हो should I go like 720 is it 748 1080p ले गर्दाखेरि हो किन त hello 720p is this better is 720p better ew oh actually 720p मा चाहिँ स्ट्रिम भइदिरा Yes guys what's happening okay let's read okay laggy हैन पुरै अड्किरहेको छ हैन अड्किनै रहेछ है this bad the frame rate is so good screen share oh I am number 2 फेरि अड्कियो अहिले अलि ठिक हुन थाल्यो बट भिडियोमा अड्किरहेको छ HD is better I mean minimize हुन्छ so doesn't matter what's up अड्किरहेछ dude what the यो दोष मेरो हो कि मेरो इन्टरनेटको यो दोष मेरो हो कि मेरो इन्टरनेटको के होला त गाइस के हुन सक्छ यसको भयो फेरि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै आउँदैछ काचा कुचुक गर्दै आइरहेको हो आई थिङ्क सो भइगयो हुनी जाउँ छिटो भनेकै वर्ल्ड लिङ्क गुड नाउ आयो 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 ओके अडियो इज क्लियर ठिक छ अलिकति लो क्वालिटीमै काम गरिन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ धेरै पछि लाइभ आउँदैछु सो गाइज वाट्स ह्यापनिङ टुडे इज नेटको इस्यु होइन जस्तो छ अरे फेरि गयो फेरि अड्क्या हो इज दिस स्ट्रिम यार्डको इस्यु इज देयर समथिङ द्याट आई डोन्ट नो अबाउट स्ट्रिम यार्ड अडियो के छ अडियो इज गुड भिडियो अड्के पनि ना अफ योर क्याम अडियो सुपर क्लियर छ भिडियो मात्र अड्किरहेको छ सो मस्ट नट बी नेटको इस्यु यस अडियो इज फाइन अडियो इज गुड डु युज ओबिएस ब्रो यस म युजली ओबिएस नै गर्दै थिएँ आज चाहिँ लेट्स ट्राई स्ट्रिम यार्ड मोस्टली बिकज आई हेभ दिस इज अ स्पेसल काइन्ड अफ स्ट्रिम आज चाहिँ आइएम गोइङ लाइभ विथ द गाइज फ्रम सुपर टिम हु आर दिज कम्युनिटी पिपल फ्रम सोलाना अनि उनीहरूले चाहिँ एउटा ह्याकाथन गर्दै रहेछ अनि त्यो ह्याकाथनलाई चाहिँ प्रमोट गर्नु पर्यो दाइ भनेर आएर अनि द्याट्स वाइ आइएम हियर सो विल डु अ vibe coding session with Solana. We'll try to build something. We'll build a $100 million project idea. The idea is $100 million. I don't think the business is gonna be $100 million. तर at least idea चाहिँ हाम्रो उसमा चाहिँ के भन्छ मनमा चाहिँ हामी $100 million मा काम गर्छौँ है त so before I start होइन चल्यो try restarting the webcam so webcam is my phone त्यो मेरो iPhone को यो होइन so look at this so it's not a different webcam this is a iPhone that I'm using like I said this is a special stream जहाँ चाहिँ I'm going to work with super team actually let me invite him on stage है त hey
Hello. Hey,
this is
what's up?
Ronak from super team everybody say hi to Ronak on chat say hi to Ronak
Oh, we're already live. Let me check it.
Offer some dollar to us also bro dollar we're talking about Solana with crypto all the way no dollars down with dollar
Yeah, just earn your. We have this saying in Super Team is earn your first dollar. So like we throw bounties almost every week, so you can take part in that and earn your first dollar. To be fair.
bounty programs huh?
Oh, हाम्रो grant programs have bounty programs. So bounties ma we do almost every week of $750 को every 2 weeks में एउटा bounty throw गर्छौं. It's a mini hack. It's a designer bounty, things like that. So त्यसमा it's exclusively just for Nepali people, so they can come and like participate. And there's a $750 bounty. $750. $750.
$750 of pool ki per person $750
It's a pool, so usually like 400 to the first 350 त्यसरी हुन्छ अनि it gets divided between like 6 and 7 people. The first is usually like $350 जस्तो.
and so you guys are spending $750 every day every week
No, every 2 weeks ma. So अन्त्य फेरि it's not just developer bounties. त्यसमा हामीले design bounties गर्छौं कहिले creator bounties गर्छौं. So creator bounties is just like you creating content. There's writer bounty. You just need to write a long form content. That's articles, that's Substack, things like that. So there's a bunch of bounties we do by Superteam Nepal to like onboard more people to earn their first dollar. So yeah.
yes so get connected to the bounty programs. Bounty programs are new way of cheap labor so
it's earn.superteam.fun मैले त्यहाँ हाल्दैछु. That's the link.
कहाँ हाल्दै तिमीले
chat में.
chat मा so I don't think you can add links in the chat bro
Ew. I did the didn't go. It went the.
आउँदैन आउँदैन
Okay, so it's earn.superteam.fun. So
यसरी गर्ने
that's the chite.
यस्तो earn dot superteam dot fun
Fun.
fun okay हो यसरी हालिदिने हो
त्यसरी चाहिँ आउँछ या. Got it. त्यो त
okay
spam रोकिला हो क्या?
uh, oh yeah definitely
Yeah.
मोडरेटर दिए यति मिल्छ लिङ्क पेस्ट गर्न अरे या आई डोन्ट ह्याभ मोडरेटर यार एउटा आई एम नट बिग इनफ सो इभेन्चुली मेबी
Yeah, you need to make Aayush big enough, then he can add mods.
या hype me up
Yeah.
like it's about time के अरे एउटा इन्जिनियरलाई हाइप अप गरेर प्रधानमन्त्री बनाइसक्यौँ about time म देखिएन
त्यो यो युट्युबमा हाइप भन्ने नेपालमा छैन हो. Everyone is saying like hype भनेर. There's a hype
हाइप
feature रहेछ नि युट्युबमा. Yeah. So there's a different leaderboard of hypes, which is a concurrent of trending. Yeah, that's how it is. And I was also like, सबजना यो स्ट्रिम्समा hype किन भन्दैछ भनेको त युट्युबमा फिचरै रहेन रहेछ. नेपालमा चाहिँ छैन जस्तो. There's hype
Okay.
feature in hype feature in YouTube भन्ने छ क्या अरे.
तपाईले गर्न मिल्छ डाइरेक्ट लिङ्क्स अरे ए मैले गर्न मिल्छ लेट्स से त earn dot superteam dot fun मैले गर्न मिल्छ मैले चाहिँ गर्न मिल्दो रहेछ तर आई डोन्ट नो त्यो लिङ्क भएर चाहिँ आयो नि त त्यो त
It's not clickable, but just copy paste it. This you can see bounties, just not from us. This is the biggest freelancing / gig economy of whole of blockchain. So यहाँ चाहिँ सबैले दिया हुन्छ. Right now there's like I think it's crazy amount like 100 million भन्दा बेसीको गरिसकेको छ bounties त्यो प्लेटफर्ममा. It's a super team product नै. Right now there is 11,000 कति रे एकैछिन है कति देखाउँथ्यो यहाँ. But it's crazy amount of opportunities live छ. अनि हाम्रो जुन लोकल ट्र्याक छ नि सुपर टिम नेपालको जस्ट फर नेपाली ह्याकाथन्स त्यो पनि यही छ.
Okay, so before we go, Ronak, tell our people about what Superteam is, what Solana is, what are you guys doing, what like Solana vision ke ho, and it's like so that they know what we're going to do.
Okay, so I'm Ronak. I lead Superteam Nepal. I've been a blockchain engineer now. I transitioned my role to a lead where a lot of my work goes on to managing ecosystems, building community, doing workshops and things like that. Superteam is a talent layer. We call it a talent layer of the biggest blockchain in the world, that is Solana. So it's a direct initiative by Solana in a country like Nepal. Superteams are different different markets exist. It started from India. If you guys know Tanmay Bhatt used to make a lot of videos in 2020, 2021 about Solana and crypto, and that's how Superteam got started. And he's the original co-founder of Superteam. And from India now it's in 25 plus countries. Okay, so the primarily goal of Superteam is to create a Solana community in that market. हामी चाहिँ Solana लाई focus गरे पनि our intention is to create a broader blockchain community in Nepal. And how do we do that is very simple. That's three things. It's हामीले चाहिँ learn, earn र build भन्छ. So learn we help people learn this technology in blockchain. That is by doing workshops, streams like this, doing cohorts, doing a bunch of things, right? Then earn we create earning opportunities for people. So that is by augmented bounties and mention giving freelance work, having grant programs, doing hackathons, connecting to jobs. हामी आफ्नै पनि आफ्नै प्रोजेक्टहरू पनि लन्च गर्छौँ होइन. So that is creating earning opportunities. And then last build. So we help you build startups. We have a grant program that is $5,000 per project. So if you have a Solana idea, you can apply to a grant program and you can build. We have a build station that is running right now, like ye week chalirasa. So there's a global hackathon. We'll talk about that later. On Tesma build we have booked a whole co-working space for a week, and not just in Kathmandu, in Biratnagar, in Japa, in Butwal, and in Pokhara. Teams from there, we will meet IRL and build a startup for 3 days or whatever long the build station is. So a lot of building initiatives. We connect you to mentors, we connect you to ecosystem partners and things like that. So
next.
So
tell people how they can apply for the hackathon.
Okay. So first मा चाहिँ hackathon चाहिँ के छ भने सोलानामा every quarterly there's a major hackathon that happens and has a global prize pool of like $500,000 to $1 million को prize pool हुन्छ हैन. That's a global hackathon जहाँ चाहिँ नेपाली टिम्सले पनि participate गर्छ. Last time we had 45 kind of Nepali teams participating. We did a Nepal demo day जहाँ चाहिँ आयुष दाइ पनि आइसकेको थियो हैन. There was all teams participating. अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने ग्लोबल ह्याकाथन हो बट यु क्यान पार्टिसिपेट एज अ नेपाली टिम एन्ड नाउ यु कम्पिट फर द ग्लोबल अनि द बेस्ट थिङ अबाउट सोलाना ह्याकाथन्स इज इट्स नट अ ह्याकाथन इट्स अ स्टार्टअप कम्पिटिसन सो विनर्सबाट 15वटा टिमले चाहिँ एउटा एक्सेलरेटरमा एक्सेप्ट हुन्छ त्यो एक्सेलरेटरको नाम चाहिँ कोलोजियम हो त्यसमा चाहिँ वाट यु गेट इज यु गेट $250,000 इन प्रिसिड फन्डिङ होइन द्याट्स 3.5-4 करोड रुपियाँ अफ प्रिसिड फन्डिङ देन यु हेभ अ 8 week long एक्सेलरेटर इन SF in San Francisco with the best of the teams in the Solana, and then you have a demo day like Y Combinator. The format on same. It's harder to get in, but not as hard as Y Combinator, right? And the best part is last time a Nepali team got into it, so that team is like building it from Nepal.
अस्तिको ह्याकाथनकै कि त्योभन्दा अगाडिको
होइन अस्तिकै ह्याकाथनबाट आर्चर एक्सचेन्ज भन्ने थियो द फाउन्डर्स आर नेपाली it's a mix of an Indian founder and a Nepali founder and
what is the project?
Archer Exchange money, so you can check it out.
Is it an exchange platform or
yeah it's a dual order book, so uh, it's a exchange platform, but what it does is let's say every transaction ma in in transaction and out transaction, so to on layman's terms it does something very fast mathematically so that you get better fees and MEV bots ले तपाईको arbitrage rate ले तपाईको rates कम नदियोस् भन्ने हो. It's a technologically sophisticated and their bigger vision is to build that platform archer.exchange भन्ने, so you can check it out, you know. So that they built and they're now getting the accelerator prize money and now building on top of it, you know. On accelerator भनेको चाहिँ फेरि जस्तै Y Combinator, you get into Y Combinator but now you have a demo day where you raise more, right? Where you raise the bigger round. So similarly, यस्तै नै हुन्छ. Every teams who've got into accelerator have gone on to raise their seed round of like $3 million or $2 million or whatever it is, right? So that's how it works. And the best part is अब यो त अलि बेस्ट टिम्सलाई नै हो होइन, बट वी हेभ पिपल फर बिगिनर्स पनि. सो बिगिनर्सलाई मात्रै भनेर चाहिँ हामीले नेपाल प्राइज पुल भनेर पनि गर्छौँ कि त्यो भनेको चाहिँ इट्स जस्ट फर नेपाली टिम्स होइन. अनि यसपालि द्याट इज $10,000. सो $10,000 just for Nepali teams apart from the bigger prize pool, so you can win both, right. That's also possible, but Nepali teams मात्रै अलिकति धेरै welcoming र inclusive होस् भनेर we've announced on $10,000 prize pool just for Nepali teams होइन. The way to participate in the hackathon is त्यो माथि दिएको छ, sign up for the hackathon colosseum.com/frontier. You go and register there. You find all the resources there. Follow us on our socials. हामी दिनभरि hackathon कै कुरा गरिरहेको छ आजकल. This stream is also for that. And at any point you have more questions about the hackathon, I'm here to answer. I'll see if chat ma ke छ.
एक question है त I want to show के थियो Colosseum भिडियो अट किरा छैन
छैन. Okay, colosseum.com/
COLOSSEUM रहेछ मैले अर्काने.
colosseum.com/frontier.
So this is right. So this is where you go to register.
Yeah, you go email ma register गर्ने. You can just read Google.
Like तिमीहरुको last के थियो build day थियो हैन, अनि के थियो
demo day
मा आएको थियो, and you guys gave me some merch, and that hoodie was the best hoodie I've ever gotten. Where did you get it from?
I wouldn't know that. Operations था होला, but it's very good quality.
यताबाट आएको कि उताबाट आएको?
हैन, नेपालकै
हो. Like that was good quality print, good quality fabric. The inside was really great. Like that is my favorite hoodie right now. All right.
Yeah.
कहाँबाट लिएर आएको? So I'll correct. म कुरा गर्छु तिम्रो operationसँग because I want
we got your Tumblr पनि, if you remember.
Oh yeah. Tumblr, I still love that Tumblr. I still have it. कता हो. But that
I think you wore that hoodie on the Vyasco podcast.
Yeah.
That's what I noticed. Yeah. We have a very cool merch this time, Bunny.
Oh. Wait,
was a demo no? This is the video.
Oh, it's AI video. No way.
Yeah, it's AI video. Yeah. Harkirat Singh ko ma dekheko thiyo Solana. Is that with the Soumya Raina? Yes, that's the same thing. It's not the critic who counts. Oh, sound aa raha hai in eraser. Sorry.
No way.
So the point is beer run once, okay? Right now we are in a beer phase once, okay? That's why it's a beer.
Hmm. Oh yeah, I understand.
So pretty cool, yeah. You can just go there and register Colosseum ma bhanera. Prizes pan sabai कुरा छ. And actually the best part is there is a university track. So there's a $10,000 for university students. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ के भने if you're a college student, you get a chance to win $10,000 more if you're a college student. त्यहाँ university award भनेर छ. तल तल ठ्याक्कै छ.
30,000, 10,000, 10,000, 200,000 awarded across 20 standout teams. Aditya Shetty. You can't go India go yo.
Yeah, he's a super team lead.
Okay.
सबै कति सुपर टिमकै मान्छेहरू छ.
Tanmay still a part of this or छोडेर निस्किसक्यो?
तन्मय जजेसमा हुँदैन. He's part of super team.
But he is part of it, right?
Yeah, some part of it, yeah. You'll see अस्ति भर्खर यो there's a super team को video that his company made. The Moonshot भन्ने company छ नि, थाहा छ, do you know they make ads?
Yeah.
So they make like all Solana and super team ads पनि.
Moonshot.fun.
They made this ad very cool ad. Look, let me send you. X402 मा बनाएको थियो किनहरुले. Let me send you.
Moonshot.fun. Does it exist? No, it doesn't exist.
Super
Anyways,
team X402, yeah.
Bro, send some merch here at Biratnagar too, are.
Oh, there's a bill station happening in Biratnagar this weekend. So if you can like go, that should be cool.
So register गर्नलाई यहाँबाट register गर्यो, you can do with Google and all. And so tell them what happens after they register and what happens.
So you register. So it's like you need to look at it as a startup competition, right? So you have an idea, you start building it, but also you need to submit a pitch deck. So pitch deck means you need to record yourself pitching a deck. Like how would you pitch it to a VC, right? So त्यसमा चाहिँ deck मा हुन्छ नि, अब problem, why is it a problem, how big is the market, what is the team, how do you plan to make revenue. त्यसरी एउटा 3 मिनेटको भिडियो बनाएर सबमिट गर्नुपर्छ along with the GitHub repo. So now that's how you submit, and the deadline is till May 11th. हाम्रो 12 हुन्छ. May 11th their time, हाम्रो May 12th हुन्छ. And another initiative we're doing this time along is also very cool. Is हामी May 7th देखि May 12th चाहिँ we're renting a full villa in Pokhara, and we take 20 people there, and we have a whole 1 week of startup village, what we're calling. On त्यसमा the best teams get locked in and like build a startup from there. So we're doing that पनि. But yeah, like I think something you should start from is, if you're new to this, there's a lot of AI agents right now, and we're also going to buy code something. So you can start looking at ideas and start building something. And if you're in Kathmandu, come to the build station. It runs till 28th. That's free for all. 28th April summer build station. So you can just come there and see what other teams are building. And if you get some idea, you can start building there too.
Okay. So before we get to the coding and building stuff, right? I'm gonna give you one challenge, and this is coming as a surprise to you. Right?
Okay.
I'm putting you on the spot.
Think so.
Okay. But this is also your chance to shine. I have been for the longest time a crypto skeptic. Okay. So with that, tell me, why am I wrong about crypto?
Okay, so first of all, crypto has a very big narrative problem. Okay, हामी crypto as a asset matrai sochcham, which is not true. It has a very big technology that backs it up. It has the ecosystem that backs it up, that avails a lot of things. होइन हामीले सोच्दाखेरि BTC सोच्छौँ, Bitcoin सोच्छौँ. Bitcoin is an asset class of itself that is beyond technology, that is asset class. होइन But what makes Solana special is when there was blockchain coming up, everyone thought, okay, this is asset class, but what to do with it? Like decentralization, privacy, सबै कुरा आयो होइन. But what to do with it? We need apps where people can use it, right? Then came Solana that has the fastest blockchain, the cheapest blockchain, so we can build apps on top of it, the most scalable blockchain. So now, like very simple कुरा भन्छु कि म, payments in Nepal is still broken. It's so hard to send payments outside from Nepal. होइन अहिले भर्खर यो डलर कार्डको $5,000 को भर्खर बढाएको छ. And that $5,000 पनि for a business, it's very less. Also like you need to do a lot of bank things, KYC things. होइन what blockchain or Solana allows is global payments instantly with any like instant liquidity and instant payments, right? So there's a lot of cards that allows you to make payments from Nepal, no matter it's $100 rupees or $100,000. It's the same amount. You can use that as a substitute to dollar card, and it works as a Visa card. You can top it up using Solana, right? So it's the whole network is being run on Solana. Another I'll say is another big use case. What I like is, so I'll show you an app. I'll probably show you later. So jupe.ag भन्ने छ. There you can buy Tesla.
ओपन गरौ.
हुन्छ jupe.ag.
Spell
jup.ag.
Okay.
jar.
jup.ag.
Yeah. So this is the biggest. This is the biggest. This is the biggest DeFi protocol in whole of crypto at this point. So त्यहाँ गएर USDC को सट्टा search for Tesla. So like, see, you can buy Tesla stocks from any of your coin or whatever it is. And now this allows anyone staying in Nepal, anyone staying in Bangladesh, Pakistan, to access global financial tools, right? So the bigger vision of Solana is it's internet capital markets. Every asset needs to come on internet, and it should be as easy as using an email to access these tools, and it happens on a distributed computer, that is Solana. So that's the bigger vision. That's why you'll see tokenized stocks being tokenized, RWA, so real world assets being tokenized. Then you'll see like wine, dinosaur, tokenized, very like rare stuffs, you know. So it's just like the biggest use case is interbank transfers is still broken. Like Morgan Stanley have no stable coin money launch. Do you know what a stable coin is?
But tell the audience, yes.
So stable coin भनेको again अर्को consensus के छ भने crypto भनेको volatile भन्छ हैन, which is true. It's assets, any stocks like assets, it's volatile. But stable coins भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने it runs on the same blockchain technology. It has the same amount of liquidity, same instant payments, decentralization, everything, but its value is pegged to $1. So what that the USDC देखिरहेछ नि हामीले यो भर्खर यो. So that means that its value is always going to be what is 1 USD के. So USD भनेको 1 USD will always be 1 USD के. So जस्तो अहिले सोलको भ्याल्यु हाम्रो कति छ 86 भनेर देखाइरहेछ नि हैन. So if you sell it, that means you are swapping it to US dollars, हैन. That is just a tokenized version of US dollar. अनि यसले के गर्छ भने it solves remittance, it solves payments, it solves interbank transfers. Interbank transfers अहिले पनि in most countries it takes 3 days to settle, right? But banks are occupations, and banks are systems that wants instant liquidity. Like तिनीहरुसँग पैसा छ भने त liquidity गर्न सक्नु पर्यो, and it wants more assets where their customers can get more profits from, right? That's why you're seeing like a lot of like banks right now, including Morgan Stanley, a lot of things they're creating private blockchains where interbank transfers say stable coins ma bhairachha. That gets them like 24/7 instant transactions across any banks, and their users get more liquidity and asset. Okay? So that's another use case. Hai? In Nepal context, the biggest is remittance. We lose 6% of fees in just remittance because we have this arbitrage and there's multiple swaps that happen. If it is done in crypto, which is crypto or stable coins, which now Philippines is doing and a lot of countries is doing, it brings that fees to 0.5% or even less than 1%, whatever it is. So imagine 5.5% of people's money being saved because we just adopted to a technology, right? So a lot of these things, our topic crypto ko topic crypto like ke buziran bhन्छ, then we can probably change that.
Where do I start? Okay, so like
Mhm.
when I see crypto, right?
Yeah.
It's like you say something and then you have a like you have an argument against it, and there's a patchwork for it somewhere else, and then you
Mhm.
critique that, and there's a patchwork for it somewhere else, not there but somewhere else,
Okay.
right? You say it's volatile, but there are stable coins,
Mhm.
right? But stable coins have these problems, but there are this something else, so like it's kind of a patchwork for me अहिले सम्म चाहिँ I अनि अनि without all that होइन, without asset tokenization,
Mhm.
without all this पनि, if you just take blockchain as a technology, um,
Mhm.
I am in the conception कि blockchain uh, calculation computation is too high to
Mhm.
uh,
Mhm.
to support a global system of currency, होइन? But त्यसमा चाहिँ I'm kind of intrigued by Solana because it is cheap at the moment, and
Yeah.
I'm very interested to understand how is it getting things in so cheaply.
Okay. So yeah, I think त्यो तपाईँले भनेको कुरा is very valid. It was not scalable to most extent होइन. Scale गर्ने एकदम गाह्रो थियो. Like still right now, Bitcoin takes like 10 minutes to land a transaction, and the fees is insanely high. Ethereum takes less than like 10 seconds type. Solana
Mm,
takes 1/10 of a second, and it takes 1/10 of a dollar as gas fees. So at more context, it is cheaper than using like backend services. Okay, होइन?
mm,
अनि why is that? Is because Solana runs very efficiently in terms of technology. I think there's a Solana white paper. Anyone who is interested to read about it, होइन? Solana मा चाहिँ account model भन्ने हुन्छ कि. So if
mhm,
anyone knows Rust from here, Rust मा चाहिँ we manage memory storages in heaps and ownership model हुन्छ नि. So like one data storage owns one memory मा space के. And
mm,
when that space is gone, the ownership पनि जान्छ के. So Solana
mm,
runs similarly. It's written on native Rust. So what happens is when you own data, there's a specific address that owns something on that account, and everything has a separate account of itself. It's only बुझ्नै पर्छ, but like so that account runs independently, and because it runs on Rust, so processing power पनि अलि राम्रो छ. So technically it is faster, and there's validators and there's a bunch of things. The biggest thing
mm.
you need to understand is Solana runs on something called proof of stake. I know. So okay, I'll just this interesting. Bitcoin runs on consensus mechanism हुन्छ कि. त्यसलाई चाहिँ के
Okay.
भन्छ? Proof of work. Okay, so what do you
Mm.
understand by proof of work?
So like consensus मा चाहिँ both parties have to agree.
Okay, so consensus mechanism सबैले गर्नुपर्छ होइन, because if something is decentralized, कसरी त सबैलाई अग्री त गराउनु पर्यो नि त होइन. त्यो चाहिँ बिटकोइन प्रुफ अफ वर्कमा भन्छ. प्रुफ अफ वर्कबाट के बुझ्नुभयो हजुरले?
Mm, I don't think I get it this way.
ओके, सो प्रुफ अफ वर्क भनेको चाहिँ यु निड टु प्रुभ बाई वर्किङ. सो हामीले बिटकोइन माइनर्स भन्छ नि.
Uh-huh.
सो एसेन्सियली बिटकोइन माइनर्सले के गरिरह हो भने दे आर सल्भिङ अ ट्रान्ज्याक्सन होइन.
Yeah.
त्यो ट्रान्ज्याक्सन बिल्ड गरिदिरह. अनि जसले चाँडो गर्छ त्यसले चाहिँ त्यो
Mm.
बिटकोइन पाउने फिजको
Yeah.
जुन छ नि.
Mm.
तर के हो भने यसमा सबैले गर्नु पर्यो नि त. जसले
Mm.
चाँडो गर्यो त्यसले पाउँछ कि. सो द्याट्स वाइ. बट what this does is everyone needs to do it. So सबैको एनर्जी र इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
Yeah.
पावर त गयो नि त.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's why people say like Bitcoin mining is not very sustainable, but it is sustainable for Nepal because we have hydro energy.
Yeah.
Then comes Ethereum. Ethereum ले पनि proof of work मै गरिरहेको थियो, but then
Mm.
they like 2021 मा they changed it to proof of stake, which made it like very cheaper and faster. So proof of stake चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने for you to be a transaction builder, you need to
Mhm.
stake some amount of Ethereum.
Okay.
And that is pretty much high amount of Ethereum. So
Okay.
what that does is you have now skin in the game. Okay? So
Mm.
if you do your work nicely, you keep getting that rewards. And if you don't, तपाईँको त्यो stake amount slash हुँदै जान्छ कि.
Okay. Okay.
So now it makes things easier. And because now सबैले गर्नु पर्दैन, जसलाई असाइन भएको छ त्यसले मात्रै गर्छ.
Okay.
सोलानाले चाहिँ प्रुफ अफ स्टेकमै एक स्टेप अझ पनि के गर्यो भने प्रुफ अफ हिस्ट्री. सो प्रुफ अफ हिस्ट्री भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने इट वाज इन्क्रेडिबली हार्ड टु स्टिल फिगर आउट कुन ट्रान्ज्याक्सन पहिला आयो कुन ट्रान्ज्याक्सन पछि आयो. त्यसले चाहिँ टाइम लिन्छ कि. सो सोलानाले चाहिँ के गर्छ भने हरेक ट्रान्ज्याक्सनमा टाइम स्ट्याम्प हालेर पठाइदिन्छ कि. त्यो टाइम स्ट्याम्प हालेर अब कसैले पनि फिगर आउट गर्नु परेन कि यो ब्लकमा कुन माथि हाल्ने कुन तल हाल्ने. त्यो आफै अटोमेटिकली बस्छ, ट्रान्ज्याक्सन बिल्ड हुन्छ, ब्लकचेनमा जान्छ कि. सो इट मेक्स इट इन्क्रेडिबली फास्ट के. So proof of stake let's say incredibly faster or cheaper बनाउने हो Solana लाई.
Okay. Okay, I think I'll have to do more research on this because I had no idea of the proof of work or proof of stake को concept चाहिँ मैले अहिलेसम्म सुने नै थिएन. So it's
Okay.
very interesting. I think, and yeah, like the reason like I was interested in Solana is because it's kind of the cheapest. And for me, the cost was the major issue, and all the other issues that technological could be solved just like that. The के अरे cost चाहिँ मेरो लागि फन्डामेन्टल टेक्नोलोजी नै कस्टली भइसकेपछि कसरी हुन्छ, द्याट वाज माई प्राइमरी रिजन अफ skepticism, but I'll take a look at it. And there is very interesting question in the comment.
Okay.
I was interested in block, and I want you to answer it because I think this is a very fundamental question, and I don't know, think some people understand it. And I was
Okay.
interested in blockchain, but could never understand it. Jata pani resources हेर्न खोज्छु, there is more financial jargon than technical, so केही बुझ्न सकिन्न. And अर्को like you said,
Okay.
it's blockchain technology, and where does this technology store data? Where is data center for Bitcoin, and how each and every transaction is being recorded? I think this is so fundamental and so
Yeah.
misunderstood that you should maybe try
Yeah.
to tell people.
So the primary difference between AWS storage and a blockchain is not one company or entity stores data. So the bigger, so Ethereum भन्ने blockchain चाहिँ किन start गरेको थियो भाइतोलिक भन्ने मान्छेले भने, so उसको एउटा गेममा asset थियो which he was playing for 10 years and suddenly one day they cancelled the game and now he felt like okay मैले 10 वर्षदेखि केही कुरामा मेहनत गरेको थिएँ and त्यो मेरो छैन अब भनेर हैन. So he didn't own any of his assets, he didn't own his internet, he didn't own his money भन्ने कुरा है. सो डिसेन्ट्रलाइजेसन चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो भने अब एउटा एन्टिटी नगरेर डिफ्रेन्ट स्टोरेज युनिट्स अल अक्रस द वर्ल्ड गरौँ र त्यसमा 51%ले यस भन्ने बित्तिकै त्यो भोटिङ हुन्छ. बट लाइक वाट एभर इट इज सबै भ्यालिडेटर्स भन्छ कि त्यसलाई चाहिँ भ्यालिडेटर्स डेटा स्टोरेजेस जे पनि भनौँ होइन, त्यो चाहिँ अक्रस द वर्ल्ड 3000 4000 5000वटा हुन्छ होइन डिपेन्डिङ अन द ब्लकचेन. अनि तिनीहरूले सबैले एउटै ब्लकचेनको लेजर स्टोर गर्छ कि. लेजर भनेको चाहिँ अकाउन्टिङ जस्तै ट्रान्जेक्सनको इन्फ्लो एन्ड आउटफ्लो हो कि, कुन ट्रान्जेक्सन कसरी भयो रेकर्ड गर्छ होइन. अनि एकजना एउटा भ्यालिडेटरले ट्रान्जेक्सन बिल्ड गर्छ अनि त्यो सबले मान्छ कि एक कन्सेन्सस भनेको चाहिँ त्यो ए ठिक छ ल ठिक छ भन्छ अनि सबले आफ्नो भर्जन अफ द ब्लकचेनमा त्यसलाई स्टोर गर्छ. सो वाट द्याट मिन्स इज इभन इफ वान डेटा सेन्टर गोज अफ जुन अस्ति एडब्ल्युएसको भइरहेको थियो मिडल इस्टमा गइरहेको थियो, त्यसले गर्दाखेरि ब्लकचेन चाहिँ डाउन हुँदैन कि. इफ 51% अफ द भ्यालिडेटर्स आर लाइभ, the whole network remains live. It won't go down. Also, no one validator can control anything. यसलाई अलि नेपाल पोलिटिक्समा पनि बुझ्न सकिन्छ कि यसको पनि डेमोक्रेसी हुन्छ कि. यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने फर इन्स्टेन्स अब हामीले पनि त हाम्रो एमपी हामीले चुज गर्छ नि त, त्यो एमपी गएर पार्लियामेन्टमा बस्छ नि त होइन, अनि त्यहाँ केही बिल पास गर्नु पर्यो भने त्यो एमपीले भोट गर्छ नि त. सो इन आवर सेन्स त त्यो हाम्रो एमपी भनेको त त्यसले हाम्रो भोइस लगिदिरहेको जस्तो हो नि त होइन. सो सिमिलरली सोलानामा पनि के हुन्छ भने अल दिस भ्यालिडेटर्स अर डेटा सेन्टर्स छ नि, त्यसले चाहिँ एउटा केही भोटिङ आयो अरे ल यस्तो केही चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो भने त्यो भ्यालिडेटरले आफ्नो आफ्नो स्टेकर्स हुन्छ कि तिनीहरूसँग भित्र इन्टरनल भोटिङ गर्छ. हामी यस भन्ने कि नो भन्ने, हामी यस भन्ने भनेपछि अब त्यसले गएर माथि यस भन्छ अनि त्यो माथिमा 51%ले यस भनेपछि चाहिँ अनि सबैले यस भन्छ कि. सो इट्स प्रिटी मच डेमोक्रेटिक होइन, डिसेन्ट्रलाइज, पावर इज पुश डाउन टु द बेयर लोएस्ट होइन. इट्स भेरी फिलोसोफिकल लाइक द्याट. But on a technical level, it's like सबैजनाले आफ्नो भ्यालिडेटर रन गर्छ and it's just not one entity. Solana right now has 4,000 validators across the world. That is 4,000 data centers. So सबैले decentralized पारामा स्टोर गर्छ डेटा. त्यो हो. If I don't know if I answered the question, but yeah.
No, okay. So let's get to the actual thing. Let's start building something. So yeah, I don't have anything set up right now. I just have codex. So what do we do?
Okay, sorry, I was just reading through chats. Okay, Ronak is crypto trader भन्छन् नि केटाहरु ल ठिकै छ. Okay, let's set up Solana.new भन्ने छ. So it's a Superteam product which is an AI agent. I'll send you the link.
Solana.new.
Actually search गर्नु Solana.new.
So what is this?
So this is search for this. This is the AI agent we're going to use today to build our product.
Ah,
Uh, this has pretty much everything we would require today to build our idea.
okay.
यसमा यसलाई अब हामी कोडेक्समा हालौँ.
के छ यसमा उ चाहिँ
हजुर हजुर.
के छ यो एजेन्टमा?
So it has skills of like build a Solana app, validate idea, all these things that you would require.
Okay, so what do I do?
You paste this into your terminal, download it.
Let's.
Okay. Yeah, is it putting skills into your codex?
Claude हाल्दैछ त्यसले त.
Install skills. Takes install skills one day, so you might have skills now in your. Can you search for skills? Slash skills ls slash skills गर्छ हैन.
Wait, कता गयो?
Skills भनेर.
Navigate skills.
Oh yeah. Actually गरौँ. कुन skills छ हामीसँग?
Apply grant.
Okay, गरिसकेँ. Closing Copilot. Okay, it has added all skills. So we can actually get started. Do you want to discuss the idea first? We've added all the Solana new skills into it.
So what do I usually do is let's start a VS Code pani. Requirement.md. We start a requirement.md, hai na? So let's define what are we doing, hai ta?
Okay.
Hai na? So we are building a. So हामीले अघि discuss गरे अनुसार we're trying to build a tipping platform for creators.
Yeah.
Right.
But that tips happen on Solana.
Yeah. Tipping platform for creators that takes Solana. That takes Solana. That's built
takes
on
USDC. That is built on Solana. That is built on Solana. Takes USDC as payments.
Solana takes USDC as payments.
Okay.
Creators are able to create an account. Okay, let's say create an account and generate a public page where they can receive these payments. What else? These public pages should be embeddable in websites, on YouTube, live streams, etc.
And also, like, I think what we can do is notifications money. So once it gets a payment, either it sends
there should be a notification system when a payment is received successfully. A notification is sent to the creator. अनि के webhooks हुन्छ?
Webhooks and so we'll listen to that and give us either a stream may or a webhook, notification on the platform.
We should have webhooks for receiving these messages. What I would, for example, if a payment is received through a live stream, we should be able to show a message on the screen as well, right?
Also on the dashboard, the creator will see its earnings. Probably we can like do like weekly and daily earnings, things like that.
Creator dashboard, है ना? The creator should be able to log into their account and see basic analytics and total earnings,
Mhm.
total earnings. अरू के हुन्छ?
I think त्यति नै हो अहिले यति राखौँ on this which we'll see what we can.
Okay, what are we
I think
doing?
this is what do you think as a creator? I think this enables you to take A, global payments, B, YouTube doesn't take a cut, C, like you can take it instantly from anywhere, you don't have to wait for a payment cycle.
Yeah. I mean, there have been bunch of tipping platforms. Actually, I'm in Buy Me Momo as well.
Oh yeah, buy me Momo, yeah.
And so, okay, so let's name it. Name of the project. What should we call it? Chat. What should we call it?
Yeah, let's take it from the chat. L vibe coding skill re ko
Freeloader. Use 5.5. Ronak uses Codex. Or a free paisa to appreciate people. Are waiter tip diye jaste hola. Yeah, I guess that's about it.
How can I be a blockchain expert like you?
Freeloader is a basic troll. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I got it. Like
SOLAMRI.
Oh, SOLAMRI is actually funny, huh?
SOLAMRI. Mala Sola.
SOLAMRI.
Oh, I like that name. SOLAMRI is a SOLAMRI. है ना? The project name is SOLAMRI.
SOLAMRI got him. Yeah, funny.
Okay, है ना? Requirement.
Yeah.
This is not requirement. This is not required.
This is the scope. This is the project scope.
This is not even a project scope. This is just idea.
Yeah.
Right. It's so like for me, the major part of vibe coding is writing these documents that provide context to the AI. Yeah. So what we are trying to do is from these ideas we are trying to we'll build documents first, we'll build context first. So for example, as a bhakkare मैले दिएको talk ma pani, one of the key things that I was focusing on is in the age of vibe coding, context is infrastructure, right? So you have to treat these MD files as important as package.json. If you have that in mind, then you'll be able to build great things. First, you need to
I'm just taking a question.
How first try only,
how can I be a blockchain expert like you and have a career in blockchain field? If you want to be a I think it's relevant for any industry. You just pick up a skill, start building projects on it. I think you have Superteam Nepal to help you out. And like अरू इकोसिस्टममा के चाहिँ हुँदैन भने you build a skill and it's very hard to land a job. But here it's at least if you pick up a project, you have some bounties always running live. So you taste that getting the first hackathon win, and then you keep building onto it. I think something I'll suggest is even if you're a newcomer, like the global hackathons is the best way to get into this ecosystem, because everyone for a month, just the whole ecosystem worldwide just locks in for the hackathon, because this is where they expect like the startups to come out from. So it's easy to like get traction. It's easy to build something live and push it. So you taste blood. I think that's what I.
Is this even legal in Nepal? Crypto transaction might not be legal, but we're working with Sandbox. Ekdam caution. We're working with Sandbox. DevNet.
Yeah, we're working with DevNet. So working on technology is still legal. Yeah. As of today.
See, that's the biggest. Like
roadblocker.
Roadblocker. It's an irony. Right, it's an irony that we build these things and we cannot use these things. It's almost like हुन्छ नि दलित जातिको मान्छेहरूले बनाएको के अरे मूर्ति जस्तो है like they are the ones who make it, don't get to appreciate it, use it. So we're there now as a country. Okay.
Yeah, like I mean, but like if you see, there's a bunch of very cool people working in very good places in blockchain from Nepal,
Hmm.
and it's been there for years. Like not just right now. It's just
Okay.
that government openly नभनेछ तिनीहरू पनि openly भन्दैन.
Okay. All right. Let's start vibe
Okay.
coding. So, भन्दा पहिला चाहिँ let's do design and plan. के भन्छ conversation सुरुमा चाहिँ before building anything है त. So okay, we are working on a new project.
So what you
Called.
can do is there's a Solana Numa validate idea भन्ने skill छ. So what
Uh-huh.
we'll do is like we can give our idea and it'll validate if it's a good idea to build or not. भनेर. Just to
Okay.
slash validate idea actually.
Mm-mm-mm. Validate
Validate,
idea.
yeah.
Why are there two? Okay. Validate
Then
idea. We
you
are
just write the prompt. Yeah.
working on a new Solana project. And the
Yeah.
idea, basic idea is in idea.md.
Mhm.
Um, यो validate idea skill ले के गर्छ basically भन त.
It just validates the idea if it's good enough to build. What is the competitors? Have anyone
A
people tried it?
brutal, honest, and critical critical assessment of our idea. होइन?
Yeah, let's give it.
Okay.
Read the 6 होला MD8 छ होला उसले.
Dude, quota exceeded भन्छ त.
किन हाम्रो API चलिरहेको छैन क्या हो?
API चलिरहेको छैन. Check.
Action because no, it says every usage is full left. I don't think there
Anticlimactic
is.
भइरहेछ.
No, I think API not चल because there's credits in their usage.
Yeah. एकछिन है त. Let's try a new one.
Mhm.
Is this working? No. चलिरहेन.
चलिरहेको छैन.
No.
Okay, let me find let me see the API if it's what is happening. यसले पनि yeah, there's no status active नै देखाइरहेछ त्यहाँ.
Is this CPT 5.5 को issue? Are you working, bro?
हुन सक्छ.
No. It's not working. कहाँबाट comment नै हेर्दैन अरे. कहाँबाट API लेख्यो? This was
OpenAI के आयो?
OpenAI मै छ.
Do you wanna just log in the Gmail itself? के गरौँ
Yeah,
मलाई?
maybe.
Let's do that. Wait, I'll send you the credentials. नेपालीमा बोलिदिउँ रे, ठिकै छ.
नेपालीमा कसरी भन्ने क्रिप्टो करेन्सी?
के अरे डिजिटललाई के भन्छ? पैसा. के पैसा? आधुनिक पैसा.
कहाँ आधुनिक ब्रो?
डिजिटललाई के भन्छ अब?
What is digital? What is digital in Nepali? Digital is digital in Nepali. Wow. Ankiya is Nepali. Ankik
Try
Mudra.
this.
Dude, that's great. Ankik Mudra is great.
Okay.
Sukshma Dhanrashi. Susma Dhanrashi.
Try using the credentials I actually sent. त्यति बेलासम्म च्याट यसो हेर्दै गर्छु. मुद्रा प्रविधि. Okay, nice.
Pravidhi is technology.
Oh yeah, you can actually, there's a Superteam grant which lets you apply for a grant for $200 just to buy AI credits. So if you want, you can apply for that too.
OTP चाहियो रोनक.
ए ओके.
WhatsApp गरिदियो.
Email मा पठाउनु भयो? Email पठाउनु न मलाई.
Top 3 best AI model for you right now. Claude. Yes.
Yeah, I think Claude नै हो. But I
But
think
no,
Codex is better at. I think Claude has design taste and everything, but Codex is very good in like depth technical things. I think.
no,
Also, actually,
I'd put get an OpenAI on third. So for
oh,
Claude is the best at it. Gemini because it's very cost effective, and then OpenAI.
हजुर मलाई जिमेलमा पठाइदिनु न एक्चुली
Gmail मा
कोड लाइक सेन्ड इन जिमेल गर्नु न
अहिले
सेन्ड इन
फोनमा
इमेल
पठाएला.
भनेर फोनमा त्यो इमेलमा पठाउन मिल्छ होला चेन्ज गरेर एक्चुली इमेलमा पठाउनु त
Okay, पठाइदियो. The closest word I can
ए,
think of is Gopya or Gupta for crypto.
गोप्य गुप्त
Currency.
सेन्ड इट
What is currency? I forgot what is currency. Currency in Nepali. NPR भन्छ हौ. रुपैयाँ होइन करेन्सी. What is currency? And currency भनेर currency word in Nepali. मुद्रा. Okay. होइन cryptography.
I sent you the code once you're trying figuring out the crypto को नेपाली पैसा ए नेपाली equivalent GPT
Continue.
5.5 is better than Claude than Gemini रे ठिकै हो
होइन like
Anyone who thinks Gemini is better than GPT
foundational
doesn't know
model एक ठाउँमा छ,
अँ,
right? But Claude Code को त एजेन्टै राम्रो.
Oh, code Claude code is such like I don't know like design taste एकदमै राम्रो छ Claude code को like I was giving same prompts आज बिहान म एउटा मोमो वेबसाइट बनाइरहेको थिएँ so I was giving same prompts to Claude code and same prompts to Codex चल्यो okay
Okay.
let's go
Okay, let's go. Let's see के गर्छ अहिले. Even Gemini Flash works fine with anti-gravity. Like anti-gravity's front-end work is pretty good.
yeah it's
I
actually
like.
best in front end but I think it takes a lot of storage like I was getting this screenshot where it was taking 54% of memory रे देखाइरहेको थियो त्यो एकदमै heavy छ oh let me connect my charger नभए बन्द हुन्छ अब यो so like how often do you stream के छ तपाईको अहिले schedule
त्यस्तो often भन्ने नै छैन. Whenever I feel like it, whenever I have time, which I don't have usually.
yeah
The first pass already found a warning sign. SOLAMRI is not entering an empty lane. There are live or semi-live Solana native tipping donation products with USDC overlays, links, and creator pages. So the hard question becomes, what sharp wedge wins despite that? And this is actually pretty good, man. It's doing
yeah
its
it's very good yeah it's
doing
very
its
good
research.
so this is primarily built to like evaluate startups नै like startup में कस्तो बनाउनु पर्ने हो भने जस्तो उसको चाहिँ primary intention that's why it'll say you like if it's worth to build this or not okay के हुँदैछ
It's looking at our competitors. Solutip.com. Okay, I've got enough to make the call now. I'm going to write the report as a validation artifact and I'll update superstack/idea context.md. Okay. Is it writing files now? With the vertex of the next page, can we only hand off?
yeah it'll create you an HTML file that will have like all the context
Where does it put it? Also,
दिन्छ तपाईलाई दिन्छ होला लास्टमा all files मा त छैन तर I've got enough to make the call now भन्दैछ ठिक छ
Just use DeepSeek's new model. Oh yeah, NVIDIA ले share गरिरहेको थियो. Which is very interesting. Very interesting that NVIDIA shares DeepSeek को post.
I think like you'll see more of these like more people I think going to the Chinese market to like have some partnerships. Theo, there's this. Do you know this person called Balaji? Balaji Srinivasan Banni Sarda.
Ah,
So what he says and is very interesting and is getting like actually true every day is what he says is China ma US is losing its power and the world is moving towards China. The wealth is coming back to Asia. अनि जुन US को डेमोक्रेट्स छ तिनीहरू चाहिँ चाइनामा जान्छ अनि रिपब्लिकन्सहरू चाहिँ द अनचेन वर्ल्ड वेयर लाइक देयर इज नो डेमोग्राफिकल के अरे टेरिटोरिज अर थिङ्स लाइक द्याट सो इज ओपन द नेटवर्क स्कुल भन्ने एउटा सिङ्गापुरमा वेयर यु क्यान जस्ट गो एन्ड लिभ एन्ड इट्स अ भिला where all startup founders from all over the world live there. So, and which is happening true, like China is getting better at everything.
let's see.
Okay, it's writing the evaluation, I think.
Brutal answer is pivot. Don't build the generator. That's funny. That's funny.
And it's pretty good. Like it really evaluates it from all the sense.
So there are Solo Tips, Stream 3, Sacred Protocol, Prismexis, and Bedrock / Soul Swish. They already cover USDC Soul Tips, creator pages, OBS overlays, direct wallet settlements, low.
Sorry, it's not visible in your stream, I think.
What?
The HTML file.
Sorry? HTML file hai na? I'm just reading your unai.
Okay. I think only .md one is a code nikale na.
Okay.
context.md.
Isko
.md file nahi diyo. Can you ask it to open an arc karo? Okay, diyo. Oh, scorecard 1/3.
Ronak, I don't think we're making $100 million.
Yeah, I don't think so too. Do not build. Ki bande sele bhani se ki raha sele?
No, it's crowded. That's the only. We're not adding anything else.
Yeah, makes sense. Integration versus build.
Crypto is only if the target creators specifically want global non-custodial instant USDC settlement and do not want PayPal, Stripe, Streamlabs, Ko-Fi, Patreon, on platform native monetization.
Which is very true, actually.
Yeah. This is good.
Like pivot se ki ban raha hai? Let's see the pivot.
Wait.
I know. Thank you. Tall pivot ban raha थियो. Integration recommend pivot
super chat and OBS alert infrastructure for crypto native live streamers, token launchers, DAO and trading community. This should be less like Ko-Fi and more like a high reliability alert webhook layer.
Got it.
Where the audience already has wallets, initial product created payment link, OBS overlay, verified USDC soul detection, TTS moderation controls, web elements, Discord, Telegram, leaderboard, drop generic creator dashboard until users proves the need. Okay. This actually, I'm actually, I'm actually quite impressed. You know.
But we'll build it regardless, I think, because we don't want to build a startup. Yeah.
Okay, we'll start a new chat. I know. Okay.
So I think just want to say this. This tool is very good. Is because if you're actually building a hackathon project, you would want to build something that is existing and required in the market. So this is a great way to get your ideas. We in our first build station, what we did is सबैको ideas like was validate गरेर थियो and 4 teams had to pivot because this is makes sense when they pivoted and now they're तिनीहरुले अर्कै के गरिरहेछ. So this is a very strong tool. And what it does is only the सबै Solana projects अहिलेसम्मको hackathon project सबैलाई context लिएर use गर्छ के. So त्यसरी this is good.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're working on it regardless, right? We are starting a new project. This project is called SOLAMRI, right? SOLAMRI, and the basic idea can be found in idea.md. I know. This is a demo project, so we are not concerned with actual business implications, but we do want to make the best version of this product as we can. Mm.
Yeah.
In this, uh, for now, I want to have a detailed and comprehensive discussion on the design and scope of MVP for this project.
Mhm.
Let's discuss on features, tech stack, MVP scope, and all the components necessary. है ना?
I think we
These
can
are,
add, we can use Solana. We are using Solana.new skills one, no? So
है ना?
it'll automatically detect skills.
And the एकैछिन मा हैन. So these are the
Okay.
decisions that we have already made. है ना?
Mhm.
We are building on Solana. The product is going to accept USDC payments. है
Mhm.
ना? के गर्ने? Next.js?
Oh, Next.js.
Next.js as the web framework for the creator dashboard, public links. Uh,
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 are we doing an extension? कि हामी कसरी पे गर्न दिइरह मान्छेहरूलाई?
अहिलेको लागि let's keep it simple. Extension भन्दा पनि we build just web pages,
Okay. Okay. तर
right?
like how will people be able to tip? They'll have to share a link or something.
Yeah, share a link. त्यहाँ either link हुन्छ or QR code हुन्छ.
Okay.
No,
Yeah, works.
that's how I worked in the past. So does Solana does things differently that I don't know about?
No, like if there's a link, it'll probably, I think if link भयो भने it'll probably pop up their wallet. We'll try. Let's see. भएन भने
Yeah,
extension
yeah, yeah.
गरौँ ल.
त्यही नै हुन्छ हैन. So you have a
Uh,
QR code, you scan that QR code, your wallet pops up, right?
yeah, things like that. I think link would be more sense because most wallets are extension wallets. So web interface would be better.
Okay. हैन.
Okay.
Achieve
Yeah.
हैन. To accept payments अरु के? Uh, database Firebase
Database. I think we'll have to create Supabase because
uh,
Supabase easy होला Codex को integration हुन्छ धेरै.
for database. Okay. अरु के?
That should be
What
good.
else?
Yeah, let's use Solana.new skills wherever it's necessary.
You very important. Use Solana
Dot
skill.
new.
Uh,
So dot new भन्नु पर्ला यसलाई.
yo, what
Solana
Solana?
dot new. Solana dot new.
Yeah. I have Solana.new skills that are installed anywhere that is applicable. And you are let's define a role. You are a principal software engineer working with me to build this product. You have experience in building and shipping startup products fast and reliably. We are going to work on this in collaboration. So ask me any questions, queries, or opinions for clarity at any time. And do not start the plan unless you have uh, asked and gained gained all possible information from me. The output of this chat is a project requirement document that we can use to start is एकछिन है त R one project requirement document, है ना?
Mhm.
To
Mhm.
an architectural constitution for us, for the for uh, the development team. Includes dev best practices, um, uh, uh, tech stack, and our development principles. Okay.
There's a chat that said, make no mistakes and move on."
Make no mistakes, please.
Um, I think that's all
One
the
thing I
prompt
noticed is
requirements.
typing is very slow. Typing is slow, you know, bro. Thinking is slow.
I know.
Yeah.
You thought it's a mechanical skill error. It's a fundamental error.
Oh, there is a Solana project planning skill. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So I'm
probably
going to
there is.
read the and this is just a basic vibe coding tip. Read through whatever like गइहाल्यो हैन तर read
Yeah.
through it. You learn so much if you just read through these things. And first, I'm going to read the project idea plus the relevant skill guidance so we can shape the PRD and architecture from the actual concept. Uh, uh, uh,
This is Codex. It's not an. It's the Codex app.
mm. Create a tipping pages, USDC on Solana, embed payment. Before we lock scope, because it nudges us towards integrate first, unless we truly need a custom program. Use scaffolding project, build with Claude, and validate idea skill guidance for this. Why is it using build with Claude?
So I think build with Claude is a generic build with AI prompt or slang.
Oh, oh, यिनीहरूले विश्वासै छैन कसैले ओपन एआई युज गर्छ भनेर.
That's funny. So validate idea गरिसक्यो अरे scaffold project बनाइदिन्छ. Then there's build with Claude has all the integrations, all the Solana integrations. So it'll connect it to RPC. It'll make the payments, your transactions all उसले आफै गर्छ.
Okay, before I draft the PRD or architectural constitution, I want to bring out a product surface. Answer this in rough bullet points. Short answers are totally fine. यति धेरै questions. Oh shit. This is
के गर्यो अरे आम्मा 16 ओहो
no. It
27
has
क्वेशन.
27 questions.
Oh my god, insane. अलि धेरै नै टेक्निकल भने जस्तो हामीले यसलाई.
No. This is किनकि हामीले यहाँ त यसमा त हामीले केही इन्फर्मेसन दिएकै छैन नि त. We haven't given it any information. This is a good. I think 5. I'm liking 5.5 already.
Something I do usually when I write code is I give normal Claude to give me prompts and then I paste it here.
I don't recommend that. I do not recommend that.
Why?
No, because you are like abstracting even the designing part of it. Like त्यो पार्टमा त तिमी हुनुपर्छ क्या हैन अनि because those are the because if you assume that AI by default gives you sloppy content unless you are careful, like that is the truth ni हैन.
Yeah.
So you are adding one more layer of sloppiness.
I think like तर टेक्स्टमा त्यो chat वालामा चाहिँ it's easier to give context about designs, figmas and all of it than to give it. But yeah, I think it will एकदम specific prompts दिन्छ which is like usually works out better. But ठिकै छ.
Okay. Who is the primary creator type of the demo? Live streamers. Okay. We only focus on we focus on live streamers, musicians, I don't know, and stand-up comedians.
Stand comics, yeah. पसाइदिउँ न हैन कमिक्सलाई पनि.
Should the payer need a wallet or should we support pay with card, exchange hosted wallet later and keep wallet only for MVP? What do you think?
Use the Solana wallet right now, like
Yeah.
existing wallet.
Solana wallet only for now.
Solana wallets, like एउटा wallet भन्दा पनि it has a wallet context. Use Solana supporting wallets.
Solana wallets for now. Okay.
For now.
So like
फ्रीमा
there are
केही
Solana supporting wallets. There are multiple Solana supporting wallets.
या so एउटा
Is
मात्रै
there
there's a
a
yeah, so no, there's no official one. It just has
okay.
one, your wallet context provider भन्ने हुन्छ. It
Uh,
detects all of your installed wallets in your browser and automatically shows you. So it shouldn't
is
be a
SOLAMRI
problem.
closer to buy me a coffee on Solana or Streamlab donors with crypto native overlays?
I think
Closer, huh?
Streamlabs not closer होला हैन?
Closer to Streamlabs donations. Should creators receive funds directly into their own wallet, or should SOLAMRI custody escrow then allow directly on their wallet?
Directly, yeah.
No
Uh,
middleman.
Fixed amounts or custom payments, both.
Fixed amount or custom amounts or both? Both. 6. Should donors be able to attach a public message name? Yes.
Yes.
And able to donate anonymously.
Yeah.
Should
त्यसको
donations be
लागि
by
private
default?
API use गर्छ होला.
Yes, anonymous by default.
Okay.
Hmm.
Do we need minimum maximum payment limits for the demo?
Uh,
No, we are on DevNet, so it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Min max amounts. Should each creator have one USDC receiving address, or should we generate payment intents with unique references memos per transaction?
One per now.
One address. 10. I know. What should a
Look
creator
like
use less IUS slash SOLAMRI slash IUS or custom slug?
slash SOLAMRI. I think let's brand our product.
Slash SOLAMRI
Yeah, no.
SOLAMRI slash IUS.
Aayush.
Wait, मैले नाम कहिले भने? This is not even my fucking account. What the fuck?
Actually, genuinely, when did you give it? Like, I think, I don't know.
I didn't give it.
Okay, nice.
Privacy is a lie, my friend. Privacy is a lie. I did not give it my name. And I haven't used OpenAI as well. मतलब Codex I think first time use गरेर मैले राम्रोसँग. Dude. माथि भनेको छौ यार. माथि भनेको छौ.
I'll take some chat. That hackathon from Solana is okay. Freeloader, I'm not reading your messages anymore. What's going on in IIT? Maybe, I'm not sure.
No. कहाँ भने मैले? What the fuck? all right. Let's move on. कता गयो हामी 11 मा छौ.
What's the point of streaming? Chat सँग interact नगर्ने भयो रे. कलमा बसेर गरौँ हुन्थ्यो. ठीक छ.
तिम्रो हेर न
chat is
यहाँ
brutal.
पढ्ने कि chat पढ्ने कि कोड गर्ने के गर्ने?
It analyzes that out of topic question. Like, can you tell me AI tools for the report writing ko lagi aileko best AI? I need to make post internship report for the college. I think Claude. I've used it to write reports.
Anything, Claude, guys.
Just Claude.
Report writing and then report research गर्छ भने notebook LM is really good. हैन? अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ also के अरे don't just ask AI to do something. Like, do your work, give it context, and download all the files necessary, and then do the research. तिमी गएर AI लाई गएर ल मेरो यसको लागि गर्नु छ के अरे रिसर्च गर त भन्यो भने चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर जे पाइ त्यही आउँछ हैन. You do your own research and like these are the files I've found. Do some extra research, but base your research on them. And आफ्नो context चाहिँ हाल्नु पर्छ. What embed types matter for MVP? Website button widget, full donation from iframe, live stream overlay, alert URL, QR code, payment link.
Website button widget. के गर्ने? Website button, full donation.
Website button मात्रै गरौ अहिले. अहिलेको लागि website button मात्रै गरौ. For live stream overlays, should the alert show only recent successful donation, or should creators be able to style the overlay?
I think we can do recent earlier. I think we can do recent earlier, right? Style garna, I think it'll create something else.
गर्ने नै.
के रे overlay नै नदेखाउने भन्नु हजुरले?
Skip गर्ने कि नै?
हुन्छ, skip गरे नि हुन्छ if you have less, yeah.
skip overlays for MVP. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
13 है ना. Which notification channels matter first? Email, dashboard, real time toast, real time
Real
toast,
time post. Yeah.
webhook post है ना. Yeah, बंद नहीं available है.
Helios Solana index है ठीक से
For webhooks, are they creator configured outgoing webhooks or internal webhooks from Helios Solana indexer into our backend? Uh,
Helios Solana बरे हुन्छ Helios Solana
Helios Solana webhooks indexer
should
है ना.
just be able
Should
to
creators be able to
repass.
replay test webhooks events on the dashboard? Not for now.
Yeah.
Auth preference: email, magic link via Superpace, wallet login, or both. Wallet login could be
Yeah, wallet login गरौँ easier अहिलेलाई.
wallet login and magic link.
Okay.
दुइटै गर्छु हैन.
What dashboard metrics are essential? Total earned, number of tips, recent tips, top supporters, earning overtime, conversion by public page, all.
All best. And then, do creators need a profile customization in MVP? Avatar, display name, bio, theme, color, links? Skip for now.
Yeah.
Uh,
Should creators create multiple payments pages campaign or just one profile page? Just one profile page.
One profile page. 20. What are we targeting? DevNet only for demo? Yeah,
Yeah.
DevNet only. Do you already have a preferred RPC indexing provider? My default would be Helios for RPC plus.
Yeah. Helios.
Helios is good. 22. के भन्दैछन् केटाहरु? फ्री भर्जन युज गर्छु. के इन्ट्रेस्टिङ आयो भने के अरे
हुन्छ म हेरिरहेको छु
22. Should we use Solana pay transaction request URL QR codes, wallet adapter, direct transfer, or both? Request URL. Request URL.
Request URL. कहाँ छ रे? Are we targeting DevNet? Do you have already preferred हैन? Should use on a separate request URL ठीक छ?
Yeah, I'm क्या 22 ठिकै छ. रिक्वेस्ट URL मा मात्र काम गरौँ, direct transfers नगरौँ अहिले.
Should we use Solana pay transaction request URLs, QR codes, wallet adapter direct transfer? I think wallet adapter direct transfer पनि गरौँ. So त्यसले directly wallet उ गर्छ. It'll like detect wallet पनि.
Both लो.
Both.
Is
USDC strictly SQL USDC on Solana?
On Solana mainnet with DevNet using a mock dev token.
No. DevNet मा USDC हुन्छ. Use DevNet USDC भन्नु.
Use DevNet USDC. It's available.
Okay.
24. What should absolutely be in the first demo?
What should absolutely be in the first demo? Tipping, like tipping happening. Yeah, the payment happening and coming to the creator's wallet.
Tipping from web page. Say absolutely. Like you're the most minimum thing.
Yeah, bare minimum.
What is explicitly out of scope, even if tempting?
I think the overlays in streams.
Overlays on streams. 26. Are we optimizing the demo for investor, judges, real creator, or technical impressiveness? No. Let's just make it functional.
Make it functional and looks good.
Functional. It should look good, but not sloppy code. Do not make mistakes. What is target build? One day.
1 hour.
My current buy, spending your answer. Next.js app market token no anchor program for MVP unless we need protocol owned escrow. Yes.
No, we don't need anchor. Yeah.
Its bias is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Syndica used to be better than Helios. They changed to something else.
Kunse, who's this? Helios. I think Helios अहिलेलाई त एकदमै राम्रो नै छ. I think it's the biggest validator and also the RPC provider. That's pretty good. Everest Powdell. Oh, okay. Syndica used to be better than Helios.
Use Sonnet for the of the Claude now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is enough to narrow SOLAMRI sharply. The MVP shape is now clear. SOLAMRI is a Streamlabs style crypto tipping. Before I write the PRD and architecture, I want to resolve the last product engineering decisions. Okay. Platform fee. Should SOLAMRI take no fee? No fee. I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Donation identity. If anonymous by default, should the donor name message fields be optional check boxes like so my name or should name simply be optional?
कति क्वेसन छ
के अरे check
कति
box
क्वेसन छ यसले
on dude this is good like अनि आजको टकमा मैले यही नै कुरा भनेर आएको हो कि the
yeah makes
mistake
sense,
that
makes sense.
apps do is they get to the coding part too quickly and you have to do the boring work
Your chat is getting irritated. Oh, यत्रो घन्टामा त मैले YC बनाइसक्थे भन्दै थियो योजनाले
okay बनाऊ
बनाऊ तिमीले नै बनाउँछ होला लिएर आउँछ होला YC जाओस्
webhook behavior should Helios the web ingestion be the source of truth for confirmed payments or should the front end optimistically no yes
Helios.
Helios is the source of truth webhook behavior and payment by since each creator has one wallet address we need to distinguish SOLAMRI tips from random USDC transfers. My recommendation: create a payment intent before payment and attach a reference memo where possible. If wallet flow cannot include it, fallback matching by amount plus. Are you okay with that? Yes, sounds like a decent strategy. You know. Dashboard visibility. Should creators see donor messages only after transaction confirmation or immediately? Immediately?
I think okay.
It doesn't matter. Public page. Should public page be accessible without connecting a wallet until the donor clicks tip, then connect wallet?
Yeah.
Auth model. If creators can use both wallet login and magic link, should a creator account be allowed to link multiple wallets in a letter?
One wallet for MVP. Yeah.
DevNet USDC. Do you already have a DevNet USDC mint you want to use? Yes.
Yeah, like I have DevNet. I think is there DevNet USDC? There should be.
Do you want me to write PRD and architecture constitution into files? Probably docs at PRD and
hey, let's do this. 7 Mate. We will use we will email हैन sorry त्यो devnet वालामा चाहिँ will use devnet soul बनाऊ होला because I think devnet को USDC mint is
we will use devnet
soul
dash soul
हैन devnet soul मात्रै devnet soul devnet soul yeah so just make sure the mint is the same
just make sure the mint is the same we will do not hard code configurable at env file
full time researcher part time student with a good remote job okay ठीक छ
I recommend okay done
okay जाओस्
tell me better than Sonnet अरे full time raise better part time student with a good remote job अरे freeloader good for you man good for you like freeloader sounds like he has a good life and he's just bored
I'd be the contrary. I think he has a bad life and he's just rage
no he's bored. That's what he is. I'm freeloader.
Nice one, yeah. Lot he is a nice one.
No, I'm glad to turn the decision into dual. There's no app scaffold yet. Just idea and ambit and dot superstack. So I'm creating a clean docs folder rather than mixing. I'm writing.
I think I know. I think he already answered your question. Use either Claude or I think Notebook LLM.
Notebook LLM, yeah. दाइले मेन कमेन्ट पढ्दा अरु कमेन्ट चाहिँ पढ्छ मेरो अरे रिपोर्ट राइटिङ को लागि क्लड र नोटबुक एलएम क्यान युज आई सेड दैट अलरेडी गाइज आई क्यान द एआई टुल फर द रिपोर्ट राइटिङ को लागि अहिलेको बेस्ट एआई आई नीड मेक पोस्ट इन्टर्नशिप रिपोर्ट इन्टर्नशिप रिपोर्ट त भेरी स्मल थिङ एनी एआई विल डु इट ब्रो इन्टर्नशिप रिपोर्ट त एकदम स्मल कुरा छ त हैन र and that is too easy. Any AI will do it. Have you ever tried or thought about YouTube automation? Yes, I have the thing is, like, these are the things that I like to do. Yeah, बुझे ना?
Mhm.
All this, like, in the YouTube thing is something that I like to do, and if it's automated, then like what's the fun in it? To मलाई चाहिँ, like, yes, I can like create YouTube and के अरे भिडियोजहरू अटो एडिट भएर पोस्ट हुने, कमेन्ट समेन्ट यताउति and all that I can do, but then again, that's what I like doing. And they were I don't worry about. So like I only automate things that I don't like doing. Does that make sense?
Makes sense. Okay, के गर्दैछ अहिले?
Okay, it's created docs, you know,
Yep.
product summary, product goals, you know, let's put non goals for MVP, multiple creator pages, target customers, creators,
Mama, insane.
supporters, MVP scope, you know.
Yep.
Oh, this is it. This is nice. I like this. एकछिन है
Yep.
त। So goals त ठिकै छ, यो हामीले नै गरे हो। Non goals, mainnet deployment, live stream overlays, platform fees, public donor leaderboard. This is great. Target users, creators, supporters को लागि यो MVP scope मा, creator authentication, creator profile, हैन, ओके यो ठिक छ, हैन, public tipping pays, default fixed amounts, payments मा definite only, blah blah blah, ठिक छ, यो ठिक छ, यो ठिक छ, real time notifications, creator dashboard is real time, trending tips appear immediately after a supporter submits the form. Confirm state is driven by Helios webhook indexer events. Webhook post from Helios into the backend is required. बाकी कुरा out of scope. This is good. This is good. Or
Yep.
creator dashboard मा total earned, number of tips, recent tips, top supporters, earnings over time, conversion by public page. Creator can copy their public tipping URL. Creator can copy a website button, embed snippet, and a creator can see pending and confirm tips. And analytics definition. Okay. Website
I think
button
it's good
embed.
to go.
Yeah. Data model. Profiles. तिमीलाई नि अल्छी लाग्यो?
होइन I know it's good to go भने well.
यो पार्ट हेर त, I think you are more
Okay,
के अरे,
okay. Payment intents, profile ID लिइरहेछ, amount, token amount, recipient wallet ठिक छ, donor wallet, donor name, message is on anonymous, okay, reference memo, status, signature, match confidence rate. ठिक छ, looks good. I think
Looks good.
we can see. Yeah, if something breaks, we can see.
Tips ठिक छ, page events. Do we need page events? Okay,
के
yeah,
लागि लिइरहेछ यसले? Profile
we
ID आयो,
need
लिइरहेछ.
page. Page view, payment started, payment submitted. Okay. Webhook
Makes sense,
event
makes
ठिक
sense.
छ, key user flow. Okay. Milestone. Implementation milestone हाल्दियो यसले? I didn't ask it to
हाल्दैछ.
do it.
Auth and create a profile, public tipping flow पनि ठिक छ, Helios confirmation, Helios webhookले it listens to transactions, ठिक छ I think.
Okay. We'll start a new chat है अब चाहिँ. अनि मैले नन टेकिजहरूलाई मैले सिकाउने, the best thing you can learn in AI is knowing when to start a new chat.
Yeah.
That solves like 80% of your problems.
Also the
Okay.
token problem पनि.
Yeah. त्यो क्रेडिट्सको राम्ररी भन्नु न, कहाँबाट अप्लाई गर्ने प्लिज अरे.
So go to earn.superteam.fun. त्यसमा तल ग्रान्ट्समा there's a agentic grant track पनि. त्यसमा चाहिँ you can go and like submit your idea what you're building. अनि you can apply for a $200 grant. If there's someone in the chat, I'll probably let me drop it.
We're going to create a backlog file based on PRD and
Okay, so यसले स्किल्सहरु पनि हेरिरहेको थियो. Phase 1 build with Claude ले नै गर्ने रहेछ. It'll
Mm,
use send AI fun skills, build with Claude, Solana Kit सबैको use गर्छ यसले. Helios पनि
mm.
उसले आफै नै use गर्छ. I think it does pretty much everything. We don't need to give it a skill जस्तो छ.
Okay. So integration first for MVP, no anchor program, no custody, no escrow. Helios is the confirmation source of truth. Direct creator settlement, communication over constants. यो ठीक छ हैन. Do not hardcode the dev notation. Do not hardcode RPC errors. Do not expose small testable vertical slices. Tech stack my Next.js, TypeScript, React server components were useful. React server components?
के को
Oh
लागि
yeah,
चाहिने? What is it using it for?
वेयर युजफुल भनिरहेछ. आई डोन्ट नो होइन. क्लाइन्ट कम्पोनेन्ट्स फर वालेट इन्टरेक्सन, टेलविन्ड सिएसएस ठिक छ. सोलाना डेभनेट यो ठिक छ. सुपरबेस ठिक छ. इन्डेक्सिङ एन्ड वेब हुक्सको लागि डिप्लोइमेन्ट भर्सेल ओके ठिक छ. रिकमेन्डेड प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर यो ठिक छ. डोमेन बााउन्ड्रिज ओके.
I think we can say like build with Claude, use build with Claude to like do
एकैछिन.
use
योभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ आई वुड लाइक अ डेडिकेटेड ब्याकलग फाइल होइन. होइन ब्याकलग फाइल. this file is going to be the source of truth for tracking.
Okay, how to counter Claude session limit problem? I think the $20 plan is itself is a very exhaustive plan, like एकदम चाँडो सकिन्छ. But there's a repo that lets you reduce your token usage. I'll find it and put in the chat. Let's say it claims that your token usage like 80% देखि उसले घटाउँछ. But there's other general tips like don't make your chat too long, start a new chat, add more context, अनि त्यस्तै कुराहरू हो.
Working on
Caveman, yeah, caveman is the GitHub repo. यस्तो लाटो जस्तो new chat पढ्दैन. To compassing add .md and .ignore files use Sonnet for planning, Opus for executing. Okay.
yeah, a lot of people don't change the models, right, sir? That was quite interesting to me. So सुरुमा प्लानिङ डिजाइनिङ प्लानिङ फेजमा ओपसमा बस, इम्प्लिमेन्टेसन फेजमा सोनेटमा बस, डिबगिङ फेजमा हाइकुमा बस.
That is also one way to like optimize your tokens, so that's also good.
अनि
I think
with अप्टिमाइजेसनको लाइक फिलोसफिकली कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ टोकन अप्टिमाइजेसन भनेको द मोर क्लियरर यु आर, द मोर डेलिबरेट यु आर, the better your tokens, because most of the decisions are made होइन. AI uses more tokens if you haven't given it enough data and if enough context, and it has to come up with them आफै. त्यो बेला like the more deliberation you have, that's better.
So are you still asking about the pro subscription? Okay. OpenAI grants 200 को भन्न सुनेको अघि. OpenAI मात्रै हैन, you get $200, you can use it in any of the AI you want. It's just $200 for you to use AI. That's it.
I heard Claude got hacked. Kind
I don't
of
think so.
अस्ति hacked भन्दा नि source code leak भएको थियो नि, त्यही भने होला. Kind of.
Have you used त्यो Anthropic को पनि? I think अहिले Codex को पनि छ, the reviewing code वाला code review.
Tipping platform गराउन लाउनु भएको हो दा? Yes, tipping platform but using Solana.
Should we like change the title now so that new people will get what we're building?
Can we do it? बिचमा?
I think mills and midstream पनि गर्न मिल्छ, as far I have seen creators do it.
Okay.
Or probably we can like just write in the chat and pin it.
SOLAMRI, Solana tipping platform for creators. No. Okay.
Source mapping leaks, but there was unauthorized access by random users to Cloud Mythos.
के
source mappings leak भएपछि there was unauthorized access by random users to Cloud Mythos.
There was an unauthorized access by random users to Cloud Mythos.
Apparently. खै
Okay. Ayush, bro, do you teach in King's College? I saw your photo there. Yeah, I taught a couple of classes 6 months ago. So I चाहिँ छैन.
हजुरको भिडियो अड्क्यो
मेरो भिडियो अड्क्यो हो.
हो
अब आयो? के छ आयो? हेलो.
भयो
Okay,
आयो
okay. MVP definition. Okay.
need
Okay.
internship, any suggestions? I think just build projects
Ah,
and build your audience, like start writing and tweeting about what you're doing and what you're building. That creates some sort of audience and apply to jobs.
let's start the project code now. We will start by completing epic 0 in backlog.md. होइन
Yeah.
backlog.mb को epic 0 भन्ने के छ superbase space app होइन class exists behind lib/superbase. Okay. होइन you can ask me questions if there are gaps in knowledge. Okay. Simple.
Okay.
यति गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ like after this the product development is smooth.
Hey, okay. Okay. Automatically using the build with clock.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah, nepotism works far better. For what?
Jobs, internships.
Yeah.
I think that is a true race, right, Nepal? No? I've seen so many of my friends just get jobs because.
Wait, this is something that I want to always correct in people. Okay, Nepal mine everywhere.
I mean, yeah, that's
Everywhere.
true. But
Right.
Nepal only basis house like say मलाई चाहिँ.
I know. It's much worse by the. I know. They call it reference. They call it whatever. I know.
Okay.
Yeah, like I know people, like I know people who lead code गरेर महिनौसम्म गरेर they're preparing for AWS अथवा के अरे Amazon को लागि गर्नको लागि, and I've known people who have gotten in with reference easily. Okay, so it's all everywhere, because you have to understand this. It's trust mechanism, right? It's trust mechanism. So how do you build trust? It's not about nepotism. It's about what builds that trust. Sometimes the trust is from all these tests, and sometimes the trust is from a person, right? So build network is what I'm saying. Build your network and go out, meet people, talk to everybody. I know, and build network, and that's how you create these networks. Nepotism, je bhane pani. Do you want to allow npm install
Yes.
network access? Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead. Default permission, full access. Yes.
Oh, full access.
Bypass.
But what do you think about like entry roles? Only there basis house like some yeah. People who land internships here are like pretty much always connected to the management.
Are there? No.
That's what I've observed from your
No,
experience.
like I hired so many like junior developers, junior roles, and I haven't heard. Maybe I've hired 2 people that I have known. Also, but the interviews near.
Okay, I don't want to name companies. There's a bunch of like big companies who have still like who just do that. But here is some. But I think it's a very human nature to help people you know. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know. I wouldn't be like too hard on them too. What is this codex or cursor agent window? Codexo.
This is Codex.
You can start your own company with 7K if you want. Okay. Why so many
7.
job openings in web development, app development, not in data domain? Do you want to answer this?
Because Nepal there is no data. कहाँ छ data, bro?
But I मैले नेपाली job market चाहिँ अलि follow गरेको छैन. के भइरहेछ? Is like AI taking over entry level jobs कि के छ?
Mm, in a lot of way, yes. Wait, why is it doing npm view? What is npm view?
Tailwind CSS npm view बने I think के रहेछ
View भने त inspect मात्रै हो नि. Why is it just doing view? Why is it not installing? I think
checking वाला
something
पहिला it's
something is
checking पहिला what
built
does
with
it do.
Claude for sure, right?
Yeah.
Because अहिलेसम्म कसैले पनि view use गरेर थाहा छैन मलाई. I think it's something that is written in built with
Yeah.
Claude.
Yeah. Do you want npm access to okay yes don't ask again गर्नुपर्छ क्या हो
Is there a
hey
don't ask?
okay we'll have to like I think if while this is running we can set up your wallet पनि उसको क्यामेरा फेरि स्टक भयो
एकछिन है त. So ऊ चाहिँ के अरे यो स्ट्रिम यार्डको विन्डो चाहिँ ओपन भइराख्नु पर्दो रहेछ. That's what I've.
ए
How can I build personal profile website, Dai, with Claude code?
yeah I think the easiest is to pick up template from Pinterest, put that screenshots in Claude, and give its data, and just ask it to like make a
Yeah,
personal
that
website.
works.
And it'll do it like very fast.
But then again, also there are enough no-code solutions available out there.
Yeah. But I think like design sense, when you give Pinterest wala designs, I think it's better to vibe code it.
No, I'm thinking $20 of Claude Code subscription versus $20 of Squarespace subscription. It really depends on where you are.
And which is more fun to you too. Yes, don't ask me again गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो है यसले त
अदर वाला हुनै छैन
छ त सेकेन्डमा
yes and don't ask me again. I don't यसले गर्छ यसरी
होइन सेकेन्डमै थियो त yes and don't pass me again भनेर 2 मा थियो
सोच्न पो थाल्यो त्यो त
त्यही त scaffold now okay scaffold बनाउन थाल्यो यसले अब
yeah the npm view is weird. Build, I think it's definitely in build with Claude.
Yeah.
The npm view thing is weird. You don't need to view it, just do it, bro.
I think super safe bhayera hola. It's seeing like what file changes it does before installing.
How should you approach web development? At this point, everybody should be thinking about architecture, DevOps. So this is how I'm explaining to people. पहिला चाहिँ when you said full stack, you talked about back end and then front end. And now a full stack developer will in the future mean from project requirement to deployment. Right, so like a good developer is one who can do from initial step to the final step. So learn architecture, learn best practices, learn deployment, learn DevOps, learn about AWS, Azure, so learn these things and then you become a good developer, I think.
Maybe we can put it in fast, I think, or you did time data necessarily.
Kind of does the software companies in Nepal ask for DSA or nah? Nah, not really.
I think it depends. हामीसँग त्यस्तो ठुलो MNCs छैन. I think the outsourcing companies do ask some sort of DSA. All these like your Noodles and Leapfrogs and everyone. But in general, startups, I don't think so.
प्रोडक्सनमा जाँदा के कुराहरू ध्यान दिनु पर्छ? Security, one of the most important things, and optimization. Basically, is it the most optimum thing? Like CI/CD, definitely learn CI/CD.
Okay, what is it doing now?
It created all these components, wallet component, App might has a dashboard. Wait, what?
के भयो?
I know you. It's doing more than what Epic Zero मात्रै गर भनेको थिएँ नि त मैले त.
ए ठिकै छ. Do you know that there's this something called conductor जसमा चाहिँ you can use Claude and Codex in the same window?
Oh yeah. No,
Maybe you can use that.
there are so many के भन्छ interesting projects. There was this project where it was like multiple Claude accounts OpenAI account and then in the same chat session it would just go from one to another depending on cost quota.
Second, yeah.
Oh.
I think fast मा चाहिँ हाम्रो तर ठिकै छ.
Wait, is it actually Epic Zero ma app starts locally with सबै नै यसमै रहेछ त अलि धेरै रहेछ मैले यादै गरेको थिइनँ. 20 files. What is the scope of cyber security? Immense. अब त cyber security is going bigger for sure. What about QA roles in company? QA will not go away. QA actually I think dev सबैजना उ सोचिरहेको छ नि कि dev mid level डेभलपरहरुको के हुन्छ, junior डेभलपरहरुको के हुन्छ. All the junior dev, mid dev and QA roles merged together. And I think mid level developers.
Have you used this your full access computer access भन्ने छ Codex हो? So it does all the testing for you.
It's not reliable. I've tried it. Not reliable.
It's getting better. Like it's just fascinating how easy I'm try कर रहा. It actually connects your wallet, puts in password, sends payments, all of that.
And you can't trust it, अझै पनि trust net develop भइसकेको छैन.
But we were saying this 1 year before about coding पनि. So
true.
हजुरको क्यामेरा फेरि स्टक छ है.
Yeah, more. के गर्दैछ यसले? Install is taking a little while but still alive. If the peer warning turns into real feature, I'll pin the nearest compatible version instead of leaving the dependency tree wobbly. Okay. It's just installing all the libraries. Let's look at package.json. It Solana wallet adapter React UI. Wallet adapter wallets, web3.js, SSR, Superbase. I should probably create a Superbase account.
Yeah. I think you can drop your credits on your आफै बनाइदिए पनि दिन्छ. It creates if you can drop your credits, it creates a project and fills in the schema for you, I think.
Your credentials for Superbase.
Superbase, yeah, I think connect गर भन्छ होला, तर yeah, just in case बनाइ चाहिँ राख्नु. So like guys in the chat, like what is the most interesting or fun projects you've been building अहिले? What is AI automation engineering? I mean first year in Nepal DSA project dev सँगै लैरा छु. नेपालबाट फाङ छिर्न सकिन्छ र अरे.
नेपालबाट किन सक्नु त किन र? There are
Do they hire remotely र? I don't think they hire very much remotely.
Remotely त गर्दैन. You have to get there.
I think India closest would be to go to India and like get in a FANG. But yeah.
अहिले पनि FANG भनिरहेको र मेटा भइसकेपछि नि.
माग हुनुपर्ने अब त, तर I think people still call it FANG.
Now.
Think use data domain for placements but can't find any roles. Build in Solana, there's a lot of roles there. Superbase-लाई ओदेखि लिएर फुल BD बनाएर युज गर्दा कस्तो हुन्छ होला त? राम्रै हुन्छ आई मिन कस्तो
सो अहिले चाहिँ के अरे अहिले चाहिँ माङ रहेछ अनि अल्सो मामा
ए
माइक्रोसफ्ट एप्पल मेटा माइक्रोसफ्ट एप्पल मेटा एमाजोन एन्ड अल्फाबेट
बट अल्सो एनभिडिया पनि थियो नि बिचमा सो इट वाज लाइक डबल एन
के
फ्लटर
हाल्यो
डेफको के छ स्कोप रे त्यो सो फन फ्याक्ट लाइक माई फर्स्ट language was Flutter because I didn't get to web development like most people. I got into app development and it was a choice between React Native, Kotlin, and Flutter. And I chose Flutter and I had a great time doing Flutter, but then I realized there's not enough roles that hire for Flutter. So then I switched. But I think नेपालमा अझ नि गर्छ नेपालमा चाहिँ फ्लटर डेभलपर्स हायर गर्ने रहेछ
फ्लटर छ राम्रो फ्लटरको राम्रो छ एनपीएम अडिटमा पुग्छ ब्रो
I think easier पनि छ फ्लटर खै मलाई चाहिँ एकदम पावरफुल लाग्थ्यो लाइक आई एम भेरी समन हु लाइक्स युआई एन्ड टु बिल्ड भेरी अलि ब्युटिफुल थिङ्स अनि फ्लटरमा एकदम मजा आउँछ त्यो गर्न
होइन फ्लटरमा छ अहिले राम्रो काम छ खल्तीले हायर गर्छ
खल्तीले हो द्याट्स द्याट वाज खल्ती द्याट माई फर्स्ट थिङ वाज खल्तीमै फ्लटर सो हजुरले यो जिफीमा चाहिँ मोबाइल केमा छ वाट्स द स्ट्याक
रियाक्ट नेटिभ React no like this is a great story for hackathon people right Jiffy's code base for the most part was built in a hackathon last year
okay
for 1 year straight hackathon ma build bhako product without any changes was running for Jiffy so one guy one coder made one project and that was Jiffy for 1 year straight
so that's similar with Solana so sabai जुन hackathons बाट निस्किने प्रोडक्टहरु नै अहिलेको सबभन्दा बिग प्रोडक्ट छ के that's why they place it like that you get into accelerator you have a bigger prize pool bhanda so people joining in right now there's a global hackathon going on called Solana Frontier which has a prize pool of $500,000 but also on a chance to get into an accelerator that gets you $250,000 in pre-seed funding so if that's interesting there's something popping out here colosseum.com/frontier go register
oh it's doing a lot actually मैले सोचे भन्दा बढी गर्दैछ यसले it actually did a dependency trim हैन audit dropped 92 issues to 17 moderate and was a big risk is the broad Solana wallet adopter wallets and bundle dragging in many unused adapters I'm trimming that so wallet adapter wallets man a lot of risks right
wallet adapter wallet ma okay bundle engaging okay makes sense wallet adapter मात्रै गरे हुन्छ Solana wallet order wallets मा किन गरेर यस्तो यसले
wallet adapter
so yeah, wallet this is not needed wallet मात्र त्यति भए पुग्नु पर्ने हो यो wallets भन्ने किन गरेर छ यसले
we'll ask wallet adapter wallets किन राख्यो भनेर
so the point of wallet adapter is what it does is it'll have a get to connect wallet भन्ने button हुन्छ and it'll just direct every wallets available in your browser on the connect गर्न दिन्छ के त्यसले so you don't have to like manually connect each wallet त्यही नै हो point like यसको what you can see is अहिलेको जुब भन्ने वेबसाइटमा जानु त
हैन
यो so यहाँ माथि त कनेक्ट भन्ने आइरहेछ नि राइट साइडमा top right हो so like you don't have any wallet right now this is wallet adapter if you had any wallets here it would have shown you we can try actually let's create a wallet because हामीलाई पछि चाहिन्छ नि
okay
go to phantom.com so this is like the biggest wallet download
this is an app
yeah it's a extension
it's an extension
yeah
I can't use my phone bro my phone is here
no like download right ma garnu त actually it should why is it yeah for desktop yeah tala
okay Chrome this is Chrome hai na यही
Yeah,
गरिदिउँ, यही
garam.
गरौँ गरौँ
Just
गरौँ एड
add to arc.
एड एक्सटेन्सन ओके ओके
Okay, you
क्रिएट
can create a new
वालेट
wallet. Continue with seed free email whatever. For people who are new, so this is very important, and this is what non-custodial wallet बनेको चाहिँ के हो भने your wallet का access only you have it. Okay? It's not a bank. Bank मा your email को I mean account access bank has it, right? But blockchain मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने you own your money. So what that means is तपाईँको wallet का access no one else has it. It's already on blockchain. Your money is on the blockchain, and only your account has the access to it. So create a recovery phrase wallet गरौँ. Okay, so just create a password earlier. This is to unlock the wallet. And continue. So अब यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने यसले अब 16 डिजिट या 12 डिजिटको दिन्छ हैन. So it giving you 12 digit हैन. So this is the most important thing. Yeah, I mean like if you're not going to use this wallet later then ठिकै छ. But yeah. So यो 12 डिजिटको चाहिँ के हो भने as long as you have this digit you can access your wallet के हैन जहाँ जताबाट पनि. But if anyone else also has this access then they can also access your wallet because it's non custodial. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने तिमीले एकचोटि ट्रान्जेक्सन गरिसकेपछि कसैले रोक्न पाउँदैन त्यो कसैले उ गर्नु पाउँदैन. It's just your custody के. It's just on your custody. So you should like tip 101 you should write down this somewhere and put it down. Okay, I saved my recovery phrase भनिदिउँ अहिले तल एउटा checkbox. Okay, continue. Okay, username जे गरे नि भयो ल. Who Aayush? Okay, invalid रे. के भन्दैछ यसले? Letters and numbers रे. FS उ नर्खन पाउने होला. Okay. So this is your wallet अब हैन? It's creating a wallet. Get started. Yeah.
Oh, also focus on open source contribution, guys. Someone from a YC startup noticed my contribution from 2020 and I'm making banks now. Great going, Venus. That's a brilliant story. That's a fun story. I like that. I like that a lot.
I think Harkirat used to talk about this a lot, like how open contributions get you remote jobs. I think you should watch it videos. Okay, topic wallet खोल्यो. Yeah, just open the wallet now.
So what
extensions no extension त्यहाँ थिच्नु त्यो.
I'm clicking.
Okay, why is it not opening? What browser is this? Arc हो यो.
This Arc.
Hey, okay. Oh, it should open. किन open भएर? Actually त्यसलाई pin गरेर try गरौँ.
Pin नै छ.
That's how you show extensions हैन अनि किन नचल्दैन?
This is pin.
Okay, I'm not sure with Arc. चल्नु त पर्ने हो.
This is a Arc thing.
You want to try connect one. Actually, it'll detect the wallet or not one. Right? Actually, top right one connect it.
एकैछिन है त. No, that was not it.
You should press on the connect mathi, top right pa. Is it detecting? Oh, it's not detecting now.
Maybe browser restart गर्नु पर्ने हो.
Right, maybe try गरौँ. But
yeah, StreamYard जान्छ त्यसले त.
We can probably Google Chrome मा try गर्न नि सकिन्छ if you have Chrome.
धेरै नचलाको ल.
Or Brave, whatever works.
Brave, I don't
like तपाईँको Ziffy मा day to day tasks के हुन्छ? Like what do you mostly focus on?
अहिले त I'm in the process of अहिले I'm writing more code than before. Last month it was more sales and marketing. This month it has been more writing code. I'm refactoring a lot of optimization. Like I said, the whole code base was built in a hackathon, so it wasn't scalable. So अहिले चाहिँ I'm in the process of making it a scalable code base.
Yeah.
Manage extensions. के छ छैन त के अरे हाम्रो
Phantom.com. के भन्दैछ कुन लाइब्रेरीमा के कन्ट्रिब्युसन गर्यो र अरे also focus on open source contributions. Okay. I thought Ambition Guru use Kotlin त्यसको टन्नै भ्याकेन्सी देखेको थिएँ मैले लिङ्क्डइन तिर होला होला. Okay, we have 84 people watching. That's insane. So guys, people joining in right now, we're building a Solana tipping platform by coding it. Now we're setting up a wallet. So create a new wallet गरौँ फेरि के गर्ने आयो Phantom आयो यसमा चाहिँ आयो. Okay, I already have a wallet भन्नु फेरि त्यो seed phrase हामीले सेभ गरेको थिएन.
I remember the password. Does that help?
No, that doesn't help. Let's create a new wallet. It's fine. Yeah. Again, like if you were using this as your primary wallet, you would want to write your seed phrase and save it somewhere so that you can always have an access to it. But also it's safe enough that यो भनेको चाहिँ ब्याङ्कको पासवर्ड नदेऊ कसैलाई भन्ने जस्तो कि. Okay, continue. ठिक छ हाडी गयो त्यो who I used to गइसक्यो होला. Yeah. Who. Okay.
Get started.
So this is your wallet, right? It's a multi-chain wallet. So what that means is तपाईँले Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin सबै blockchain मा यसले interact गर्न मिल्छ हैन. Wallet चाहिँ blockchain मा it's like your email, okay? This gives you access to any of the sites. Like this is your primary UX भने जस्तो हैन. अनि यसमा you can send, swap, do all sorts of things, buy, Phantom भित्रै पनि you can do like prediction markets पनि छ Phantom भित्रै छ. So you can do pretty much everything inside the wallet itself. Okay, यसले त अझ त्यही रहेछ.
हामी कहाँ छौ where's your env file एकछिन है त let's see env.example file बनाइसक्यो api.this is good next public USDC mint what is this यसमा के हाल्ने हो
So हामीले यसलाई I think Sol नै युज गर भनेको थियो यसले यो बनाइदिया रहेछ we'll have to see it later कि DevNet Sol युज गर भनेर yes and गर्ने हो 2 गर्ने हो
is it running some
run env I think it's running DevNet को APIs
okay
8-year-old
3000 मा it's running हैन
yep let's check now localhost के गर्यो यसले
wait
the dev server is up at हैन अर्कैमा रहेछ yes and don't okay has it done everything yeah I think we'll have to make some changes
I know it hasn't done everything so यहाँसम्म गर्यो यसले
hey okay
let's start npm run lent okay npm run type check के छ okay oh there is something
okay
we have something receive FTC tips directly in your creator wallet
okay ठीक छ
so
but there's no connect wallet button ठीक छ 0 USDC 0 confirmed continue to wallet okay ले epic 1 मात्रै बनाछ अहिले
epic 1
so
none of this is you get it functional अहिले this is just for you
so what we can do is once it's doing there's this skill called brand guidelines so what we can do is हामीले brand guidelines पनि यहीबाट finalize गरेर we can ask it to use that
okay त यसले के गरिरहेको यो What is it? What is it doing?
Build info के भन्दैछ to find type check passes clean I spotted generated running app service useful or warning find this
It's
uh,
fixing bugs. That's what
yeah,
it's doing. It's fixing bugs.
but I pretty much don't like how it looks, so I think हामीले brand guidelines use गर्न मिल्छ होला अब.
Yeah, yeah. No, yeah, definitely. Open dashboard यहीं छ हैन. In no authentication, no authorization, just
Yeah,
plain as pages. That's what it did. And also, okay, this is Epic Zero.
yeah.
Okay, this is Epic Zero. That's what it's supposed to be. Database त उनै गरेको छैन.
Mm. Okay, chat मा मान्छेहरूले के भन्दैछ if they are saying Ambition Guru is migrating some part to Kotlin but main app is still in Flutter. Okay, fair. Bro, 1 year old त too much होला haha 8 year old भनौँ रे.
के को लागि?
So someone said please explain this open source like to a 1 year old रे. 1 year old like के बुझाउँछ नि.
Open project.
PR भन्दै.
Wait, म सुपर बेस ओपन गरेर चाहिँ लट अफ चेन्जेस आयो. मैले सोचे भन्दा बढी नै चेन्ज गरेँ यसले. वालेट प्रोभाइडर ओके लेट्स सी के छ वालेट प्रोभाइडरमा.
ठिक छ. It's just using detecting wallets. यसले फ्यान्टमहरू डिटेक्ट गरि पनि सक्यो के अरे.
ड्यासबोर्ड छ, सोलामरी छ. ओके हैन. सो आई थिंक इट अल्सो ब्याकलग चाहिँ यसले फिक्स गरिदियो हैन. अपडेट पनि गरिदिसक्यो. सो वी निड टु पुट यसलाई चाहिँ एउटा
I think एउटा कुरा हामीले let's fix is like let's use devnet sol then USDC element खोजिरहेको छ जस्तो छ USDC को.
के भन्यो तिमीले?
We'll use devnet sol as tips. Then let's use devnet sol as tips
for tips instead of
USDC devnet USDC
mint
ठिक छ. devnet USDC मात्रै भन्ने हुन्छ. mint is like कहाँबाट चाहिँ त्यो mint हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा.
यति मात्रै भयो.
ठिक छ.
update files
and .env हुन्छ आफै गर्छ होला नि.
यति त गर्नु पर्ने हो. लर्ड 3000 हैन. ओके म यता उ बनाउँदै छु अहिलेलाई. सोलामरी भन्ने यता सुपर बेसमा नाम.
PR भन्नु PR रे. Cool. Ronak bro को project portfolio कतै available छ? Would like to know more about you and what have you done? मेरो GitHub छ but a lot of it is private. So I used to work in something called Solana Mobile. त्यसमा चाहिँ I was building mobile experiences on Solana. So त्यसको project छ. Then I built something called Call Network. So Call Network and we raised grants and some funding for that. Call Network is decentralized spam detection platform. So it uses crowdsourced data and reputation models to create spam detection layer. जुन चाहिँ हामीले त्यसलाई डिपेन्ड भन्ने मोडल हुन्छ where like different people को reputation and like तिनीहरूको spam contacts use गरेर we created a spam detection layer and जसले चाहिँ it used to give like a caller ID like Truecaller, but people contributing to the network get rewards for it. Okay. Then I was also involved पहिला in an app called Zebek, if you guys know. There was a Nepali founder who used to build that. Then त्यहाँदेखि I've been building on Solana.
Zebek. What is Zebek?
So Zebek, if you don't know, Zebek was a big thing in Nepal. So there was this, they raised like $14 million or something, and there was a Nepali founder, like they were Nepali team, and they used to
Mhm.
build. It was like instant payroll system. So every like used to get like payments every second type of what you work.
Yes, yes, yes. I remember that. What happened?
I think they're still building. They have a coin. They have a card. I think they have a card, I so you can
Oh
use
yeah,
the
yeah,
card.
yeah. I remember hearing about it. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Can I get entry level remote job in Nepal? If yes, how? I think like you need to optimize your industries. Right now, the industries that is hiring actively is AI and also blockchain. Blockchain primitively hires remotely, nahi? Like it's very hard coded in them to hire remotely. So I think that's also where something you can look around with. Brand design, ma, let's explore more brand designs. Yeah, brand colors
Uh,
and fonts.
yeah.
वगैरह search करो वाला.
Okay. The current brand design of the app is too basic. Let's update it a little bit. I want के भन्ने कस्तो खालको डिजाइनमा जाने
I think give me options for no app dinsa. Give me options for a very good looking creator tipping platform.
हैन
Video call in
लेट्स
area.
एक्सप्लोर
Whenever he switches the
oh
tab, I
yeah,
think video call the Nawako.
yeah, अब आउँछ
Yeah.
आयो
I
ओके अनि म यहाँबाट ओपन दिनुपर्ने हो मैले प्रोजेक्ट्स एकछिन है त म चाहिँ के गरिरहेको हो भने म यता छुट्टै ठाउँमा बसेर एपिआई किजहरू निकालिरहेको मैले पब्लिक सेबल कि अनि
Superbase
सिक्रेट
ko.
सुपर बेसको सुपर बेस युआरएल अनन कि र सर्भिस रोल कि वाट देयर इज सर्भिस रोल कि त पुरानो हो त हैन ओके अनन कि र सर्भिस रोल कि ओके यही हालिदिउँ इट्स ओके अहिलेको लागि ठिक छ
Yeah.
हैन अहिलेको लागि ठिक छ
I mean,
सर्भिस
your brand say ulla gordium wala. Did you press enter?
छैन छैन एकैछिन है त okay where is URL okay let's explore some ideas give me a bunch of options of directions we can go to let's see
I'm like creator tipping platform हुन त त्यसले आफै लिनु पर्ने हो. आमा मैले
huh?
के धेरै कतिवटा फाइल चेन्ज गरेँ यसले.
build context.md what did you create build context.md भनेर कहाँ
त्यही सर्च गरौँ, ओपन गर्नु. SOLAMRI
what
build context, architecture designs, status यताउति गरेर.
readme.md खोल दियो ओके ठीक छ डकुमेन्ट्स यो आइडिया कन्टेक्स्ट वेयर इज दिस ए सुपर स्ट्याक भित्र रहेछ ओके वाट एप कोडेक्स कहाँ गयो okay this is all good I'm actually okay with epic zero हैन epic zero is just supposed to set up it did let's go to epic 1 पनि सुरु गरिदिनु पर्छ एकैचोटी हैन let's start working on epic 1 of backlog let me know if there are any steps that I need to take for you to start working okay here stream overlay neon हैन
Okay.
creator studio warmth payment infrastructure calm arcade super chat no
Oh, no,
premium
it creates a full त्यो HTML page नहीं के. That's once you can actually see how it looks. options भन्दा पनि
Okay.
slash
Can you build an HTML file where I can view uh, uh, के भन्छ डेमो होइन के भन्छ त्यसलाई
watch this templates भनेर view these templates
watch a small version of these templates
slash brand design गर्नुपर्ने थियो होला ठिकै छ let's see
होइन मात्र ब्रान्ड डिजाइन लिन्छ अहिले
या एल के भन्यो या एल ब्याकलग कहाँ गयो ए हैन यो त अर्कै
वेट what
के भयो
where are the files
के गरे
फाइल त छ यहाँ किन देखाएन भन्ने मात्रै हो
तपाईको अलि हो स्वाइप गर्दा अड्किरहेको
आयो झुक्काइदिन्छ यार ब्रो कमेडीमा पैसा बनिरहेको छैन र त्यस्तैले त आज जागिर लाग्नु आँट्यो अब तिमीसँग नि कम्पिट गर्ने अरे ब्रो आइम कस्तो गाह्रो छ यार कमेडी मेरो साइड गिग हो ब्रो कमेडी चाहिँ साइड गिग हो बुझ न सम्झा करो कसरी हाउ आर पिपल थिङ्किङ द्याट कमेडीमा पैसा छ
नेपालमा त गाह्रै छ आई थिङ्क लाइक मेरो चेयर के रे
पैसा छैन
I think like I was very surprised कि अपूर्व क्षितिजले पनि like he still works in Pathav, right? I thought he's the best selling comic होला नेपालमा at least in my understanding. No?
Best selling comic मै हो bro.
ए हो
I'm kidding. Okay.
ओइ के गरेले दियो ल.
Okay, so this is what it created.
Don't like this. Okay.
Cream overlay neon. No, like closer to Solana ko brand. Tara.
Yeah.
This is too cloudy.
Yeah.
यो त सेम नै छ हैन आर्केड
I think we can ask for font पनि we can ask for font recommendations पनि
यो पनि नै यो त डिप्रेसिङ नै छ
okay I think pretty much
this is better green
I like the arcade one I guess
arcade yo
yeah only super chatty vibes है इसको
okay arcade this gets boring soon this stays अलिकति sunny type ले हैन
I think we can ask for more recommendations also give font पनि भन्न पाउँछ
okay these are too common too similar among themselves let's build a few more let's work on a few more options this time also put variations in fonts and typefaces
yep so do you guys actually think cloud methods exist or just a marketing tactic like when GPT-2 was bring marketers to powerful?
I swear to God, I thought that for a while.
What's your brand source of income? I think like त्यो GPT वाला त it was very insane like too powerful भनेर रमाइरहेको थियो सबजना
Wait, did it just finish Epic One immediately?
Epic One Epic One सक्यो यसले
Epic One सकाइदियो यसले
ठीक रहेछ त
Epic One हैन database schema in progress in progress is it still working के हो the only step you'll take full Epic One completion is applying the migration against a real Superbase project or a local Superbase stack Then verifying the RLS checks. I couldn't run a Shrestha migration locally because this machine has PSQL initdb from libpq, but not the actual Postgres server binary and Superbase CLI. You can install Superbase CLI and start uh, uh, CLI and any other CLI and any other anything you need to do this on your own.
Yeah.
What the fuck? क्यों हो रहा है? On your own. Let's. I gave you full permission, bro.
Oh, the brand मलाई फर्स्ट वाला मन पर्यो.
Yo.
I think अलिक राम्रो पनि छ राम्रो छैन पनि खोइ के नमिले जस्तो नि छ फेरि.
On-chain terminal. Terminal?
Wait, this is pretty on-chain terminal is the idea is cool.
Idea is cool, yeah.
Let's go with on-chain terminal. I think let's lock it.
On-chain
पर्यो
terminal.
मलाई.
Yeah, what's the chat?
के छ guys? What's a chat? Yeah, we're doing chat. Use Codex CLI, bro. It's better for vibe coding. No, I think app पनि राम्रै छ यार. CLI, I think CLI मलाई Claude को better लाग्छ than Codex.
You guys have to understand this is for live stream.
Yeah. Also that, yeah.
Visual.
I think
Yeah.
let's. What do you guys think? Do we do with 2? Are we using Caveman? Are you using Caveman? I don't think so, right?
Huh? Caveman?
Are you using Caveman? एउटा library हो जसले
yeah,
token
no,
usage कम गर्छ.
Caveman. I think I don't know. It doesn't look real to me. मतलब त्यति धेरै उ चाहिँ होला जस्तो लागेन मलाई त्यही भएर. Okay, on-chain terminal. Let's go with on-chain
Okay,
terminal.
on-chain terminal. Yeah, that makes sense for non-tech audience. W. Are you using
Okay.
Caveman? ठीक छ. I know.
Let's go with on-chain terminal. Make an implementation plan for this new design system. Okay.
Oh, you like making plans? म त सिधै implemented भन्थे.
Bruh, nah. Always make plans. Always make plans, my bro.
I've used Caveman and I think it has doubled my time with the agents before the limit is reached. It's just my personal experience. Yeah, I've heard like a lot of people say that, to be honest. I'm not sure.
Doubled. Okay.
Not double,
like,
but कति reduce भएको छ भनेर चाहिँ धेरै मान्छेले भनेको छ मलाई.
Okay. Then if someone is claiming double, then I'll give it a shot.
I think it claims 80 to 90% reduction.
7% last I checked.
Oh, let me check. 75%, Reza.
I have added necessary keys in .env file. Does that work for you? Test if you can run migration now. How far should the on-chain terminal direction go? Dark first, hybrid, preview only. Dark first. What should the first implementation go? All current screens, public pages first, tokens only. Cover all screens, but also update current documentations so it's carried forward. I know. Which is terminal flavors? Hacker Glow, Financial Rail. Okay, readable ops is good. Okay, I don't even know what that means. Are you using plan mode, plan to toggle? uh, Plan mode, yes, plan mode. I've used game and I think it has doubled my time. अरे yeah, त्यो I read है ना अघि.
Yeah.
Mm, so multiple things running at the same time. You okay. Summary,
The
key changes, you ठीक छ test plan, test plan चाहिँ चले. Yes,
चाहिँदैन
implement.
चाहिँदैन.
Eh,
Yeah.
yes. Hmm. Which tech stack are you guys vibe coding with? I mean, Next.js, Solana, so.
I think Solana हामीले I think CLI त केही पनि युज गरेको छैन. We're just using the agents, so it is just creating AFE Solana transactions for us. Like we're not doing any CLI Solana. So Solana.new is a great agent if you want to build Solana apps. It lets you like do it entirely just using prompts. So khasai, you don't need to like write Solana code. Okay.
Still completely remain Superbase images. Docker image बनाइदियो Solana को लागि. Superbase database हाल्यो. It has so it is doing all this, guys. Vector database नै हालेको यसले. के हालेको यसले?
Superbase में के हालेको यसले? I think it's creating like about the key. I think metadata चाहिने होला.
सबै हाल्दियो यसले. Okay, this is still fine. Now it's open गर्दैछ. के अरे? माइग्रेसन नि गर्दैछ यसले.
हाम्रो कतिवटा एपेक्स छ? 4
No. एकछिन है त.
How many epics do it? कतिवटा मस्त गरेछ हामीले यसलाई? माइकको 3, 4,
7
7. Oh my god.
I think it did too much.
Yeah.
हामीले त थोरै नै राखेको थियो नि हैन र?
यसले यत्रो चाहिन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो यसले. It's doing a lot of things I think.
Do you want to do the whole thing?
Creator onboarding. I think
usually I would go through each epic, at least validate on my own.
Yeah.
Oh bruh, it's looking like something.
खै देखेन स्क्रिन.
Screen आइरहेछ हैन? Oh, wait. Hey. Wait है त. What happened? Screen or आयो?
Okay, I think 2:33 भइसक्यो लाइभ स्ट्रिम टाइम. Wait, it's doing good. Nice. राम देखेँ अब.
Okay.
I think implementation scope धेरै नै दियो जस्तो है कि कसो?
मलाई नि त्यस्तै लाग्यो. It's doing too much. I think
it
could be a GPT 5.5 thing.
Yeah, it's doing a lot. I think production app नै बना भने जस्तो छ यसलाई एकदमै.
हैन यो के अरे I think किनकि I've worked with Codex सँग त काम गरेको छैन, but I've worked with OpenAI.
Okay.
अनि यति धेरै काम गर्दैन usually.
त्यही त.
Yeah, this is doing way too much, and I think this is a 5.5 thing.
Yeah.
सकाउँदै सकाउँदैन त्यसले त हामी फास्टमै छौँ नि होइन
Fast make some, yes.
फास्टमै छौँ
I think I have to. कति छ इम्प्लिमेन्टिङ स्कोप यसले धेरै नै गरेको छ हामीलाई लाइक इट वाज जस्ट it's a simple just transaction that needed to be done in tipping. I think ठिकै छ
Okay, let's ask it to होइन we have made some progress. Epic 1 and Epic 0 and Epic 1 are done, but I think the scope is too large at this moment. Let's cut it down. I want to finish an MVP today. Nay, MVP के भयो फेरि? Where did the screen go? Where did the screen go? Where did the screen go?
Hello, can you explain what is being built and so far के भयो and what is the roadmap in detail मजाले? So we're building a Solana creator tipping platform where creators can
an MVP.
sorry. So we're creating a tipping platform जहाँ चाहिँ creatorsले आएर आफूलाई register गर्न सक्छ and anyone in any part of the world can tip them by using Solana. So त्यो बनाउन खोजिरहेको हामीले I think UI and everything is done. Now we need to like execute some Solana programs. अनि हामीले solana.new भन्ने एउटा AI agent छ त्यो युज गरिरहेको छौँ त्यसको स्किल्सहरू. So we're actually not writing any code. We're just vibe coding.
Okay. MVP definition अलिकति धेरै नै हाई भयो जस्तो छ. So I'm asking it to अलिकति धेरै भयो. Epic 0 र 1 चाहिँ सकिसक्यो. बाँकी चाहिँ अपडेट गर भनेर लेख्दिएँ. होइन सो इट स्टुडियो API डाटाबेस यसले यहीँ खोलिदियो.
तर looks sleek, not gonna lie. राम्रो चाहिँ राम्रो देखिरहेको छ. डेमो पेज पनि I think राम्रै देखिरहेको छ सबै. Just auth बाँकी छ अनि I think अब if we can make a transaction happen, that should work.
Yeah. Okay, Epic 1 is done. Backlog. We hit our usage limit, bro.
Oh shit! I think we're doing credits occasion. It's using a lot. I think it used 2 credits, 2 usage credits. So that means like it's using a lot.
Yeah. It's a 5.5 thing. I don't think I think 5.5 is nothing but just a token holder.
Yeah.
Like we hit it way too soon, dude.
Also, it's 2 because like it's already reset bar फेरि भएको हो यो.
Oh yes. हामीले दुईटा साइकल हिट गर्यौं.
Insane.
होइन 5.5 मा बस्नुहुन्न. We have to go for 5.5.
I told ya caveman lol रे. Try गर्नुपर्छ क्या caveman अब.
Medium intelligence मा fast मा
यति चाँडो त जाँदैन like it shouldn't be not like this. It's insanely fast.
Are we buying the credits?
Yeah, it's being bought. Occasion wait गरौँ. Caveman try गर्ने हो. Have you ever tried it?
No. Actually, the creator authentication and profile onboarding. Oh, it has profile onboarding. Yeah, it did too much. Definite source transfer flow. And a Helios webhook ingestion,
Like
payment
only
process.
functionality ma ta gagay chaina, it's just still setting up
Ah,
things.
yeah. We kind of ठ्याक्क अरू सबै कुरा ठिक थियो, अनि ब्याकलग आएपछि ल भयो त होला नि भनेर छोडिदियौँ हामीले.
Uh,
We should have checked the backlog a little better. Vibe coding को कोडिङ पार्ट सकिएछ. Okay,
yeah,
so
bye.
while we're on this, okay. While we're के अरे waiting for it,
Mhm.
bro, tell people about the hackathon again.
Okay, guys, there's a Solana hackathon that is happening globally right now, and Solana ma every quarterly hackathon run garcha. जहाँ चाहिँ we help Nepali teams win in the hackathon. Last time there was so Solana hackathons it's more of a startup competition. So what happens is there's a grand prize pool of cumulatively $500,000, but more than that, 15 teams from that get accepted into an accelerator. जहाँ चाहिँ they receive $250,000 in funding, and then they build their startup. They have a demo day like Y Combinator. Last time a Nepali team got into that accelerator, and now we're helping Nepali teams win in that hackathon. The best part is, apart from the main hackathon prize pool, we have a $10,000, that is 15 lakh rupees just for Nepali teams. That makes it like the biggest Nepali hackathon ever. जहाँ चाहिँ Nepali teams will only compete for a 15 lakh prize pool that is to build Solana apps. So yeah, you can participate in the main hackathon. By participating in the main hackathon, you automatically get qualified for the local track if you're from Nepal, and that is a hackathon prize pool of $10,000. So go today into colosseum.com/frontieretaमाथि and then register and start building. एक लयमा भन्दैछ मैले.
Wow, you should pursue this career. Peaking. Well, I don't know
How
shit about
feasible?
Rust or Solana and just vibe coded. Can I win something?
Yeah, I mean, like we're vibe coding right now. So if you have a good idea, you can.
Don't promote that. You have to know your shit. You have to know
I
your
mean,
shit. But the thing is, the time of learning and the time of knowing and the time of building gets significantly lower. But you have
okay.
to learn. And थाहै
I'll
नपाइकन
I'll
गऱ्यो
I'll
भने चाहिँ you don't know what
hmm,
to fix.
I'll give you some resources. There's something called blueshift.gg. Blueshift.gg. So it's a very good Solana uh, program cohort, and they run cohorts, they run workshops, they have very good tutorials. So that is a great starting point. YouTube ma there is a Solana Foundation ko आफ्नै series where they teach Solana programs. Solana ko आफ्नै छ. It's called Solana Tutorial 2026, I guess. Check that out. They also build a bunch of projects. Then you can always like use Solana.news and use Garasa to validate your ideas, to build some things. So yeah, know what you're building, but I think building has become much easier right now. फास्टमा 2x क्रेडिट युज हुन्छ होइन अरे, हुनु त नपर्ने हो तर ठिकै छ.
Blue, what can you type? Are blue shift, है ना?
Blue shift shift.gg.
Blueshift.gg.
Also, like there's other something you'll understand is also like looking at Solana code bases. I think that is relevant for any technologies. Like look at open source projects and see how the code bases work. That is another thing to learn. There's Harkirat. So if you know Harkirat in India, he runs bunch of Solana cohorts, and he has some good tutorials funny. So if you want to learn in Hindi and like Alikati brown face, not Hindi, but like Alikati brown face, then that is also a very good tutorial. So yeah.
What does that even mean, dude?
Oh, I know, but there's people who find like there's this array of people who find Indian coders to be really better teachers. So if that's what your type is, then sure.
Uh, okay, guys. So actually, this took a little more time than we thought, especially because like there's a big learning here ki GPT 5.5 is kind of weird.
Yeah.
But हामीले सोचे भन्दा अलिकति धेरै टाइम हो. It's 2 hours and 44 minutes. And again, we spent a lot of time talking in the beginning as well.
Yeah.
अनि मलाई यताबाट वार्न गर्दै थियो, don't get Ronak started about cryptocurrency, he'll talk for hours भनेर. Now that
Love. Insane. Only reason.
so now that I know that, I think we'll stop the stream आजको लागि. We'll continue this tomorrow. We'll start at 8 p.m. again. अनि
Yep.
बनाएर चाहिँ जसरी पनि बनाएर छाड्छौँ, but we do need to take a look back at our backlog. It's doing way too much. हामीले MVP भनेको थियो, it's doing way too much. I think we'll go in a smaller उसमा गएर
Yeah.
के अरे smaller AI model मा गएर we'll try to update the backlog so that only the most important thing is done. Because I think अहिले बल्ल मैले अब टास्कहरू हेर्दाखेरि it's there's too much, way too much, हैन.
I think like UI or fix or functionalities my too much. It's like doing bunch of things and एकदमै slow भयो जस्तो.
It has page events, webhook events, हैन. But I like the code base though. अलि भने भन्दा धेरै राम्रो code base निकाल्यो, हैन. So if you just even if you look at the code, right, कता गयो code?
हजुरको स्क्रिन छैन है देखिरहेको.
I just don't want to show env files, eh?
Yeah.
No. If you just look at the code is kind of nice, हैन. The code is kind of nice. It's doing all the right things, at least for in my app. Yeah, so right. We have a brand preview file. We have Superbase migrations like Superbase files, components. We have a very small component, and it like I like it has tests.
If you're trying to show your screen, it's not visible yet, eh?
Oh shit. बीच-बीचमा गइरहेछ. Wait it.
Can AI make production level web app? What do you think?
Yes. कहाँ थियो? कसले के सोधेको?
Can AI make production level web app? I think यो यसले production web app नै बनाउन खोजिरहेको थियो अहिले.
अहिले we had to stop it किनकि all the things that it's doing is production level web app. And then
But
again
it looks good तर
हैन. अनि त्यसको लागि best example भनेको the product that I built, okay, storybirdie.com. This is completely vibe coded.
फेरि स्क्रिन गयो तपाईको.
हो र? What the fuck's happening?
त्यही त.
हैन. Okay.
Okay, now it's not visible. फेरि गयो.
So
I don't know what's wrong. फेरि गयो.
okay, something is wrong. And so this is completely vibe coded and production level. It's actually making revenue pani. So vibe coding but a production grade मेरो के अरे co-founder भनौँ न Amit is currently in Bangalore. He's working in a startup there. And I think हिजो भर्खरै होला somebody in Twitter he asked the guy like what kind of vibe coded shit is this भनेर कुरा गरेछ. And because that guy was like sort of a security researcher, and Amit challenged him, go and try and hack it भनेर. And he couldn't do it. So it's not like vibe coded definitely can be in a production level web app बनाउन सक्छ, but you have to spend time in planning, हैन. जुन अगाडि हामीले गर्यौं पनि. And I think this is way too much. But we'll get back to this tomorrow, हैन. अनि भोलि चाहिँ हामी प्रडक्ट सकाउने गरेर काम गर्छौं. आजको लागि चाहिँ we have to say goodbye. And I think 11 बजिसक्यो रहेछ, त्यही भएर पनि हो.
Do you want to take like the last few questions there is?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, all the
Uh,
hackathon winner then posted in YT. Just a 150K USD just vibe coding it. So I think learning programming is less important than getting the idea. Vibe coding it maybe. I think for MBB makes sense, but once you want to turn it to a full fledged app, you will need to hire engineers. You will need to have a better team. I think significantly the number of people that needs to be hired Combasa. So you still need to do all the foundational things.
yeah. अनि also एउटा उ चाहिँ होइन है. Yeah, the one thing that I would say no to is AI is not replacement for learning. You still have to
Yeah.
learn. होइन? The line that I'm delivering everywhere that I go is you cannot make AI do that you don't know how to do.
Mm.
And that if you put this in mind and then learn everything that you need to learn, then you can make AI do anything.
Okay, how feasible do you think, guys, this is real-time payouts using Solana and on-demand withdrawal system in Nepal? Technical and legal roadblocks, if you know anything about. There's already a team that is already building this. They're doing real-time payments, payouts, but in privated. So what that means is private means कि हुन्छ भने you can't see how much withdrawals it is. They're mainly focusing payrolls for businesses because businesses wouldn't want to show it publicly how much payment is gone and कति भइरहेछ. So they're actually doing it. Legally, Nepalma roadblocks say for now you can't do it because of course it's a blockchain rails. But if you manage to do it like somehow ki, the payment happens through blockchain rails, but पठाइरहेको मान्छे र पाइरहेको मान्छेले दुइटैले NPR या USD whatever equivalent मा पाइरहेछ भने then you can still do it.
Okay. I think that was all the questions. So thank
Yeah.
you so much, guys. Thanks so much for staying with us all this time. I think we कति भयो हाम्रो भ्युअर्सहरू? There was, I think, around
46,000 I think.
1700 views on YouTube that मैले उ
That's
गरेको चाहिँ.
crazy.
यता
Yeah.
टिकटकमा कस्तो छ?
The Twitter ma
Guys,
we have close to 200.
huh?
200 types. 200.
Yeah. So all of you guys, thank you so much for being with us. We'll do this tomorrow again. We will finish this product. I know
Yeah.
at least सबैजनाले
Like
देखाउनको लागि.
yeah.
And हाम्रो such hackathon कति लामो हो?
So it started from Koileo, but it ends on May 11. Let me just
कति
uh
दिनको? Is it like is it a
5
week? Is
weeks
it
थियो.
a month?
Yeah, it
Huh?
is from April 6 to May 11. 5 week ko थियो. April
Okay.
6 to May 11. The submission is May 11 now. You still got 20 days. So
Okay.
yeah,
So if we can do यति in a couple of hours and
yeah,
you know, 2 दिनमा 4 to 5 hours, so if you can build a demo of a product, imagine what you can do in 5 weeks. All right.
yeah. Just last one plug. I think if you are serious about building this for the hackathon, we have a startup village prepared where we're booking a villa in Pokhara from May 7 to May 12, where we're taking 20 people, all funded trip by Superteam Nepal, where you stay there for a whole week and you build your startup. So if you want to come there, apply with your best idea. It's in Luma. हाम्रो कुनै पनि Twitter या कतै पनि Luma छ होला links.
Okay. Can someone join एक्लै अरे? No team member
Yeah,
अरे?
yeah, you
Yeah.
can.
Yeah, you can do that. I have my drawing semester exam tomorrow. Pulchok BCT. Yeah, fellow Pulchokian. Wish me luck. Good luck. Drawing the कटाउँछ bro. Easiest.
Drawing के civil go.
No. Computer ले नि गर्नुपर्छ drawing engineering मा.
Nice,
All right,
nice.
guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. And I promise, भोलि चाहिँ we'll talk less and code more.
Yeah, we'll do tomorrow.
And we'll finish it. है त? ल, thanks so much. Bye
All
bye.
right, see you guys. Bye bye.